Good morning, and welcome to the live stream again. The 9th of April, Friday. We're going to take it easy today. Good morning, Mr. Prab.
Luke and Ryan, you okay?
Yeah, pretty good, man. Mr. Prab is the official supplier of Zoom. That's why he's always here first time. Yeah, man. How did you sleep? How was your sleep, man?
I didn't have much sleep.
Yeah.
And got a busy day as well today, you know.
Oh, really? What you got to do?
Just gotta go to just travel a little bit, you know, go to another site and
Yeah.
do some meetings and all that jazz.
Nice.
But
You
no,
coming
we got
back in New York just to say hello, or you gonna stay here though?
What was that?
You're gonna stay or come back in like New York to just say hello or anything?
Yeah, no, I'll come back in New York.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
It seemed like a good session yesterday, Miss Master P.
Yeah, I wasn't there. I was there sometimes.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you, man?
Good, and you?
Yeah, pretty good. Make sure people that come in mute your mic, please. Please.
I'm glad you sorted his mic out though, because
I WhatsApped him constantly. I'm like, bro.
yeah, I was hard to listen to, but then when he sorted it,
Yeah.
it was better.
I WhatsApped him, but he didn't understand the WhatsApp. So yeah. So, and I didn't have much time, so I had to, do everything really fast.
Yeah, he managed to sort it out a little bit later on, I think.
Yeah, he managed to do that. It worked out. Oh.
Good morning, guys.
Morning. How are you, man?
Morning, Frank.
Good, and you?
Yeah, pretty good, man. Pretty good. I'm looking for a 30-minute close above 992, 150 flat. I think.
Yeah. Now I just wanted to get out of this range.
Yeah.
Honestly, I was more looking for buys.
Yeah, I'm not gonna make the same mistake as today because I see the exact same setup as today, except for the 4 hour.
Guys.
Good morning. How are you, man?
Good. How
Perfect.
are you?
Yeah, pretty good, man.
You wake up early today?
Yeah. Yeah, pretty. I was up normal time, but normally I'm never on my phone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
How are man's doing over
Pretty
here?
good, man. It's
Good
looking
morning.
a bit like the same as yesterday morning. Made a fake out to the top. Now it's back in the range.
Yeah, it's a similar situation.
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes.
Looking to execute sales once we close below.
150, yeah, around there. I'm sure that some people got faked out with who took those buys up there.
Probably.
Oh God, it's looking good.
Yeah, I'm looking for a close below 994 flat. And for buys, it's a bit delicate right now. I first need to see structure break for buys. Whoa. Because this is going to be like one of those engulfing candles, exactly like yesterday. So man's ready,
Yep.
If 1 hour closes under 150, like 149.95, then it's going to be nice.
Very nice.
And you have that minor support issue area at the 0.7870 as well. So that's good to keep in
Yeah.
mind.
Yeah, I
Maybe-
have that as target level, first target.
Yeah, that's where we should set stop loss as a break even, because if it starts rejecting that area, there's a good chance it might come back in the range.
And that's 4 hour level. If you look to the left, also like 4 hour support.
Yeah. And on gold, I think I'm looking for some form of support to form above like 1747, 45, that kind of
Yeah,
area.
me too. But right now I'm in sets to that zone you said now.
Oh yeah, you're in cells?
Yeah.
Oh nice. Yeah, there's a good confirmation with this hour open, but I mean, I'm more interested in buys.
Very nice.
Yes.
Let's see. Yeah, GG. I'm not gonna take it on 15 minute. Gonna wait for a 30-minute 1 hour close below. Yeah, at 8 o'clock. It's gonna be in 17.5 minute time. Take a look.
Wait, I'm gonna take this jumper on.
For sure. Let's take a look. We had some news today. I think I'll click it away. We have, yeah, 9:30. We have HPI. It's all yellow folder, so nothing to worry about. So good. I do actually have next week. Here we have some news. Yeah, some news, but that's not in our session, I think. Or it's tentative. Some news. Next week's gonna be chill as well. Yeah, here we're gonna have CPI. Probably retail sales here. Here. Oh yeah, the week after next week's gonna be crazy.
Oh, I was on mute. What's the week after next week?
Morning, everyone.
CPI,
Morning.
unemployment
Morning.
rates, retail sales.
Oh right.
So
Is there interest rates as well? Those are pretty fun.
I haven't looked at that.
How are you, Augustus?
Amazing. Thank you, man. Yourselves?
Augustus,
Yeah, good.
Yeah,
where's the webcam thing?
man. My eyes are just wide open.
Just woke up.
Man, I
Yeah,
literally just woke up. I
we
went to
know.
sleep. Oh, there we go. I
You're
just
in.
woke up. I went to sleep like 12 o'clock.
Me too. I should have gone
And,
earlier.
Yeah, likewise, man. And I'm just... So, whoa, GJ doing the same thing again, yeah?
Yeah, it's the same thing
Probably.
as past 3 days.
Yep.
It's deja vu.
I would love to see breaking the daily lows or closing below 980 level.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, let's see.
It's also the same situation. Daily created the top wick first.
Yeah.
And it seems like it's coming down to break the low.
I'm not gonna get faked out on those buys again.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna
Yeah,
do.
but the safe sells would be below 885, sort of breaking the daily low.
Yeah, that's because if you look left also on the daily time frame, see this and this, these two levels. No, that's not on this one. Yeah, these two levels we're approaching. That's 880 right here.
Yeah, we'll have to see where this 1 hour can close and then maybe break the low of this 1 hour since it's a big body, high volume candle. Or we can
Mm.
have a sell stop below the daily low, stop loss back in the range for like 15 pips.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
something like that.
I'm definitely not gonna take it based on a 15-minute though. There has to be like a
Yeah, no, that's not good enough.
30-minute close.
Yeah. It's not going to wait for us.
Well, if it goes, it goes. We can get in later.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean-
based on
I
how
mean-
this candle's moving, I want to have a sell stop below the low.
Yeah,
the
but
daily low.
also if you look at 880, if we break that level, we got clean traffic again, I think. Yeah, not on the 15, but if you look on the 1 hour, there's probably some clean traffic to go further down to 400 something, 600. We have enough range to play in today if we break down for buys as well. But we need to first break structure for that to happen, like this high or full on bullish engulfing candle. Good morning, Gulag.
Good morning. I'm not in the gulag, but I'm.
Good.
Good morning, Ricardo.
How are you, man?
Hey, excellent, Master P.
Yes.
Awesome job on the New York stream last night.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah,
That was
very
really fun.
good. And I caught that trade you called. What a great call.
Oh, nice. Yeah, the charts really blessed us yesterday.
But you also got you got lucky that it was the perfect setup at that time.
Yeah, imagine I got slapped with a range.
But you did a really nice job on explaining it and making it very, very clear.
Yeah, thank you. It was really fun.
I think even if we closed above in this range, you got sell stops below 945. You could also expect just volume to kick in at 8 o'clock Frankfurt Open to go down.
Yeah, at this point,
Because
I
that's
have a
breaking.
Yeah, at this point, I have a sell stop at 149.875 with a 15 pip stop loss at 150.0.
875. Okay, that's right here, yeah.
Because that's the daily low.
Yeah.
And once price breaks that, then it should just keep driving down. We're approaching Frankfurt Open as well. So we have the volume to create the daily body. And we should see something like yesterday. But yeah, I did lower my lot size for this just because it's a sell stop. The stop loss is in the range. It can get like wicked, who knows. But I'll leave it running.
Yeah, if we just close below, I might just get an entry, you know it already. Safest is definitely going to be below 880. Gonna look what that 15 does.
Just be careful with 1 hour has no wick on top, and
Yeah.
well, 1 hour is about to.
It did respect the
close.
previous one.
But 4 hour. You see the previous candle
Yeah.
4 hour rejected that zone very hard.
Yeah. It
Because
could
we
come
have
all
a-
the way back up.
We have a daily to the left, a daily zone to the left.
There's a comment in the gulag. Kindly ask Master P to fix his mic. Yesterday, he did not pay attention to 200 people who said here on YouTube chat that his mic is bad and no one could hear him. But I think my microphone should be good now. to you
Yeah, it's
guys.
good though.
Yeah, we fixed it yesterday too. I just I figured it out like after the whole, after we took all the trades and everything. I'm like, oh, so this is how I make my mic sound good.
Half of the people didn't catch it because they couldn't hear you.
Like the gulag, once I fixed my microphone, the gulag went nuts. Like we called out a winning trade, 50 plus pip runner, and the gulag is like, oh, okay, whatever, I fixed my microphone, the whole gulag goes nuts. They're like, yay, oh my God, finally, woohoo. It's crazy. Funny people there. Oh, and then there was this one guy who was who trolled me. He really got me. That was really funny. He was like, he sent 2 comments. The first comment was like, "Hey Matt, what was the first comment? It was like, so how's my recommendation of?" And then he typed in like interracial clay pot making, and I'm like, wait, what? And then I saw another comment from him. He's like,
What's
what's your
going on? Oh, no, 1 second. It's like
Yeah.
dropping many lines for me right now.
Oh.
That's
And then he had another comment. It was like, "What's your take on naked Mongolian mud dressing?" I'm like, "What?" He actually got me. That was pretty funny.
Yeah, but Master P, ultimately, you're
Yeah.
too young. You're too
Yeah.
young.
Oh yeah, that too.
Oh man,
And then
I
out
was
of nowhere you see Mr.
lost.
Prem. Out of nowhere you see
Like,
Mr. Prem.
you're too young to trade.
Yeah.
Like the market cares how old you are.
Yeah. At
Wait,
first we
what
were like,
happened?
at first, like somebody asked me how old I was, and I'm 19, and people were like, "Oh, you're young enough to be my son," and things like that. When are you doing trading? We're like, "Well, I guess I don't know." And then I called that the winning trade, and then nobody questioned it anymore. They were
Yeah,
like, "Oh, okay,
it is what it is.
It
Yeah.
is what it is.
it doesn't matter."
It's a delicate situation, you know.
I mean, like here and there, just imagine coming, just like it is what it is.
Someone says in the gulag that he's your dad, so I don't know about that, but
Probably not. I didn't see that comment.
you see it, 100%. It's caps lock.
Oh, it's caps lock.
Yeah. Maximus name. He's your dad.
Well, that's not my dad's name, so probably not. Yeah, because you
Very delicate situation.
on the YouTube, what chat do you use? Do you use the top chat or the live chat? There's like
Live chat.
okay, so you see everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to do that too.
Otherwise, it skips a lot. Like no joke.
Mm.
Like a lot of trades get skipped because of it. Mini mint. Let me look at those pairs real quick. Oh damn! Look at GU. I think you have. Before selling, you'd need to pass this level though to the left. The 1 hour. What?
Wow.
What's up?
Like Geo, someone was asking me 3 days ago. He said, "What do you think about Geo?" Sold, and they just hit TP.
Well,
I said, "This is what's gonna happen." 117 pips, but I didn't take it. It was just like
yeah. My guy. Let me put on some music. Still early in the morning, so speaking a lot is not always the best option.
Hey,
Thank you for
morning.
watching Invest in Bitcoin today. For questions and things, call this number and you're removed. Yeah.
Perfect. Remove it. Oh, someone asked me a question. Who was that yesterday? Buy. No. Who was that? Buy. It was buy. It's buy. Trading die.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
sir.
here. Good morning.
Morning, man.
Before yeah, I was like, good morning. Nobody responded to him.
Oh, really?
Hey, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, man.
If we close it around here, right, I might enter
Yeah.
at the close of the hour in 5 minutes.
Yeah, me too. Can you, by the way, can you make a comment in the chat for a second on the
Oh, yeah,
YouTube
yeah,
gulag?
absolutely, man. Sorry.
Otherwise, I'm gonna forget it.
Yeah, I have a sell stop at the daily low at 875. Stop loss is 15 pips back in the range, and I'm looking to take an impulse sell once this hourly closes and breaks the low. I'm going to add 50% position, and then the other 50% is going to be triggered with the sell stop.
Yeah, I just got my fixed lot size. Do you already? Say something in the chat. Bye.
Not yet, bro. I like the music, man.
Thank you, man. I'll put the this
Yeah, send
YouTube
something,
link
man.
in the chat. There we go. For the people there in the Zoom, you know what to do. We've got 240 people watching. We've only got
That's
40
awesome.
people, 40 likes. So we need to change those numbers. Those are rookie numbers.
Yeah, they're waiting to see how this trade plays out.
Yeah.
Yeah, take profit should be like 149,500. This should be
Yeah.
a pretty
Full
good
margin. No, Jimmy, you're in buys.
No.
This is a joke.
DJ, like I don't like it. How it looks like.
Okay.
man,
Yeah, me
so,
too. It's like I
It
feel
just-
like it's. Sorry.
Yeah, it keeps faking out there, man.
Mm.
I'm gonna see like clear, like reverse or something.
Yeah, and if gold can kind of like create a counter trend pattern where it breaks above a support in this minor retracement downtrend, then I think we can start heading up.
Yeah, what I'm looking for GJ actually to do is just to make a top wick on the 1 hour, come back and break its own low for me to get in. So just a top wick inside the range, and then go back down, break its own low, or break the previous low. Expecting also the daily low to be broken.
Exactly.
That look to
just-
the left, but
I needed to close below like 980. You know.
Oh, yeah, I'm like going against stuff like you said. Because I don't know, I feel like the way it pushed down so quick at the 4 hour open, and the way we already so bearish is like, I mean, how fast can this actually tank?
Yeah, we'll have to take a look. We're approaching Frankfurt Open as well. So
yeah, 1 minute.
pretty interesting.
1 minute left.
I think so long the 1 hour closes below 9. Oh wow, what's going on here?
Holy shit.
Jesus.
Leave a wick, please. Leave
I
a
would
wick.
look out with getting in right now.
Jesus.
Watch out with getting in right now.
Yeah, don't jump in impulsively just because it's moving.
Yeah,
It's good to have a sell stop.
would look out with that.
1 hour is
Yeah,
about to close.
Now it looks better for some. Seeing the
If
volume.
it closes with a wick, yeah. Let's see.
Looking like it's pushing.
Delicate situation, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave my sell stop in, but if it closes no wick, probably not. I'm not gonna enter another position. But the sell stop makes sense because that's based on the daily thing, and you expect the momentum and things like that.
And open.
Wick.
Let's retrace. That's the retrace first.
Yeah, retrace
Go back.
below. Go back. Papa boy.
If it doesn't retrace that much, I'm not entering.
Go up, my friend. Go up.
Yeah, okay. Doing something. Good. Broke the low actually already. But it's pretty good as pulling back now. Once it breaks, and you can just enter it and have the previous, the current high also as a risk management level. But let's wait for everything to break. Ooh, someone has a lot of background noise right there. Guys, if you're not speaking, mute your mic, please.
So what's the gulag saying? Luke, your microphone got an upgrade from your live streams. Pass the link where you got your
Really?
mic from to Master P. Your
Wow.
chart analysis on gold, please. Yeah, we'll get to my
Ooh,
analysis
look at
on
that
gold.
pullback. Pullback.
Perfect.
Very
Yeah,
nice.
If it breaks its own low at this point, poof, it's off. To
Then
the
it's
races.
off. It's absolutely off. I'm ready. Ready.
Hell yeah, me too.
Ready. Might be a fake out. It might be everything. So let's see.
Fake out with this big volume 1 hour.
Look at this
with-
candle. This is a yeah. If you look at yesterday as well, it's bigger than the most. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 candles. It's bigger than the last 16-hour candles.
Yeah, and price ranged
So-
since London close.
Yeah, and this might be the trendsetter again after some range. Just have to wait. Be patient.
If it clears 860, when it goes down, then we're in good territory.
Gonna take it
Yeah.
easy.
Best, I mean, would be that 15 respects that daily level, so 49,
Wait, it's touching.
like
I'm sorry.
990, 150.
Kindly explain the difference between a sell stop and a sell limit. Well, a sell limit you use to take a sell when price is going up. A sell stop you use it when price is moving down.
Pretty much, yeah, sell limit pretty much. You got a line here, it taps this level and you're in a sell. You expect price to go down again.
Yeah. But with a sell stop, you just expect when price is moving down, you sell the low and then you expect price to continue on creating, a lower low. Are you planning to take a trade in GJ? I mean, yeah. We talked about it.
Yeah, it's probably retesting this level now, so let's see what happens.
Yeah. The more it pulls back, the better.
Yeah. But if it's gonna break the low, yeah, then it's good. Gonna break the low later on. So let's see. You know what would be perfect? If like this candle just closes to 15 and the next one starts going down and breaks the low.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, actually, that would be better because we had, I'm going to annotate, we had like 1, 2, 3, 4 candles creating lower lows and
Yep.
lower highs. So if we can get a pullback on this candle, the next, then this will be like the
Yeah.
pullback and then,
Exactly.
Exactly, yeah.
That would be perfect situation.
yes.
Like, yeah, the body would close under 150, make a top wick where the
Yeah.
other wick is now. And after the new 15 minutes, top wick again to that 150, rejects it, and then comes back down. That would be perfect.
Yep.
The price is touching the daily zone. Do you know that, right?
Yeah, 150 level.
Where it's touching the last bearish candle. 50.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, but not almost. Like, mine is a bit low. It's 880.
It is what it is.
Price tapped our target. Price tapped our target so neatly, like it was 149,900 and it tapped 149.8.
Can you remove that annotation, please?
Oh, is that mine?
Yeah. I
Did
think it
get
is.
that? I don't think so.
I can't see. Who is it? I think that's
no, I
Master
can't
P.
remove it, so it's not mine.
You're in the top there. Sets. Wait, I'll remove it. I'll remove it. I'll remove it. Don't worry.
I have my eraser on it. I can't erase it, so it's not.
There you go. You know what's funny though? With the sales from yesterday, if I would have just held them to 200, that was first target.
Mhm.
I had my first target at 200, and exactly tapped it, and the next one tapped it as well. If you look on the like 30-minute, I think, or yeah, just tap.
Yeah,
I closed it already at like 28, 30 pips.
Yeah, I left my runner exactly to there. But I was we were talking with Augustus like the daily support, and I closed before that. I mean, I didn't have the balls to hold even a runner to that level
Yeah.
because I don't know. I was like, I got good profits on the runner, and it was end of the day. It was like, you know what, I'll just close it and whatever.
I can tell you guys are way more elite compared to everyone else I follow online. Well done, guys. Thank you.
Nice.
Very nice. I'm ready. Ready. The chart coming in.
Hey, what happened to the subscribers? Why are they back down to 2.77?
Bro,
We were
you
at
don't even want to
2.9.
know.
Don't want another minor pullback.
Minor pullback, bro. 220 pullback. I saw it dropping by the seconds. You know.
Damn.
I was on the phone with Ewan, and
Okay.
send him those pictures, and it just dropped every second. Likes drop. You had at the end of the session, New York session, you had 550 likes, right?
Yeah, something like
Down to 180 now.
that. Damn.
Roll down.
But it is what it is.
Like a major retracement, man.
Just give them
Yeah.
a feedback or something.
Yeah, yeah, I did, already did.
Yeah, yeah. Did you attach any pictures?
One, but I can't attach any more picture. Maybe on my phone I can attach more. I'll do that later. I did it
Yeah.
on the computer this time. So I'll do the other one next time. If it happens again. But it happened already 3 times.
If you look at the on GJ at 4 hour, that 880 level is a strong support
Yeah.
to the left.
Yep.
Yeah.
This-
So you see that consolidation zone. Yeah. Despite the fact that we moved in a different direction, sort of respecting, not even respecting those levels and breaking those through, but because we had so much volume at that time, but now we might even come to that area and reject that area.
Yeah, who knows? I'm looking just fully to break that level. To look for anything. If we start just seeing structure anyways on the lower time frames and we break these daily lows,
Mhm.
then we could maybe continue moving down. But what Najim
100%,
also said,
100%.
what Najim also said, there's not such a big top wick on the last 2 4-hour candles. So the probability of making maybe a top wick again could be there. Look on those 2 candles. Yeah, there is a top wick, but not big at all.
Exactly.
There is one on this one, but
And that would mean it respected that daily, support, 4-hour support, 1-hour
Yeah.
support, just that strong support, got liquidity, and after just goes up.
yeah, also
Wow, GU dropped.
look what Mac Aob says in the chat.
Toronto in
But if we fake out, the probability of going back up is pretty high, to be honest. Because then what Frank just said, we rejected this level, and if we start breaking those 4-hour highs here at 230, continuation, its probability is just very high at that moment.
But for now, we're still looking at sales.
Yeah,
You
me
know,
too.
guys, it's Friday then.
Saturday, Sunday, what?
Big Mac, you guys can close partials on MetaTrader 4. You can. You just gotta like right click on your position and then modify, and then a little screen will pop up, and you need to type in what lot size you want to close and then hit close. So you don't need to go to your phone to do that.
Yeah. Delicate situation, you know. I think that 15-minute high has been broken.
Almost.
If a 15-minute closes below support, will an impulse entry be valid based on the 15? Which support? If it closes below 990, I mean, I think an impulse entry is valid right at like 0.900.
Yeah.
Once this candle flips bearish, I think that's a valid impulse entry, or a sell stop below the daily low is also pretty valid in my opinion.
Very nice. Great success.
Yeah, the closer we get to London open volume, the nicer that would be.
Yeah.
There were some guys who were asking, do we have a New York session today? Should maybe talk a bit about it or not? Or
You have to enable it, not disable trading. Wait, what? Okay then. Yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
yeah, I said there were some guys asking, do we have New York session today? Like maybe touch a word on that or not.
Do you think a double monitor setup is necessary for trading? No, but I do prefer it. But you definitely don't have to, because I became profitable with just one screen.
It's just a nice to have.
Yep, just a nice to have. And there could
Extra pair of eyes.
yeah, true. If you're trading like a different pair, maybe as well, or have two time frames set up at the same time. But
Or you have a MetaTrader and TradingView on.
yeah.
So I guess some people want me to break down gold. Let's take a look at gold maybe now that the pound yen is ranging. I guess if you go to the 4-hour, let's start with that. We all know that the daily closed above.
I'm looking at this right now.
Yeah.
Bullish momentum, created support above the target buys.
Yeah,
you saw already. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, we basically have a high over here. But this area here, it's very important. So I think I'm looking for buys, but I think I need buys above this area, and then we have like a 30 pip range over here. But yeah, I guess some people are gonna be taking buys over here based on lower time frames, but yeah, we'll have to see about that.
I think if you have a full-on 1 hour close above here, above this 4-hour rejection zone here to the left, actually resistance.
If you get like a bullish 1 hour close.
Yes, because
over here.
you already see this 30-minute tapped it and close sort of weak. You see this one's tapping it. If this one starts respecting it, the next 30 minutes starts breaking the structure of this candle, closing above like that.
Like that.
Or but green. Out. Yeah, or as a fake out, or just green above this level, above 1750.50. So at least like 51, you want a nice close, or 80. Yeah, that you're expecting exactly that to happen, because it is at an important zone.
And it should continue bullish.
Yes.
And if that happens, that's going to become an investment in gold, because this thing is going to keep running to 1800.
TP at 2000.
TP 2000, yeah.
Oh wait, Donald Trump is gone, so there's no 2000 going to be hit.
Oh. Yeah, but you need a 1 hour to be bullish, because everything's bearish in 1 hour. So
definitely.
I'm still holding the runner and gold.
Yeah, that's amazing. That runner is going to be an investment up to 1800. Trust.
No,
he's in sales.
I'm in sales. I already
closed,
what? I already closed that one right there, top there.
We got a chart coming.
Oh yeah, you were in sales from like
the gulag. I don't understand this chart, by the way. Someone sent this. I don't understand. So you need to explain me stuff. I can't read your mind. Oh, mans took themselves. Taking an impulse entry right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, 11 TP. Okay, okay, okay. Based on that load to the left. Very nice. Good job, man. Good job that you also secured. Have your stop loss at break even. Very good job.
Yeah, I asked them if you didn't respond. Do we have New York session today?
Yes, I'm doing New York.
Nice.
Let me make a quick one for the gram.
Some big shoes to fill after Master P last night.
Yeah, you made them savage.
Size 47, man.
Oh, we got music, live music every Friday. But Ricardo, I heard the guitar.
I'm playing my ukulele.
Okay.
That's it. That's my repertoire for the day.
Oh, can we have a?
It's really nice, man.
Yeah, it's very nice.
I could listen to this all day.
Yeah, man.
Very nice.
Can we have a nice show today on New York session, Ricardo?
Yeah, it's a bit crowded there.
Okay.
Yeah, the NY people, they don't like to talk as much as we do.
Oh, okay.
Well,
really?
I was going to say it's hard enough to get a word in here. on the London session.
You're all good, Ricardo. Just speak whenever you want.
Thanks. Oh no, I do.
Perfect.
Master P,
Yes.
where are you from in Italy?
I was born in Palermo, Sicily, but lived in around Naples for most of the time.
One second,
Okay.
guys. 1 second. You guys can talk, no problem.
Did you see that show Il Cacciatore on the mafia in Palermo from the 90s?
Oh yeah.
It was a series. Did you see it?
No, I didn't see it, but I heard about it.
It was on here. It was on here on our ethnic station, SBS.
Oh really?
Really good, yeah.
Oh,
My parents are from Trieste.
Your parents, what?
From Trieste.
Ah, okay, nice.
Yeah,
Nice.
just outside of Trieste.
Mhm.
My brother lives there.
Yeah, my whole family. My mother's side is from Naples. Not Naples. Sorry. From Sicily, Palermo. So they have a lot of crazy stories about the mafia and stuff because they were still growing up around those times when the mafia was like really active and setting up. It's pretty crazy to hear the things they did.
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah, in Italy, those stores, they just got bombarded by the mafia, paying everything to them.
It still goes on to this day.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah,
Not
well,
nice.
the government is. Oh, we better not talk about the government. Okay.
Yeah, just do it. Just do it. Don't mind. Just do it.
You'll lose another 500 subscriptions.
Yeah.
Did you do anything about it, Luke?
Yeah, I sent a feedback.
All right.
People in the gulag. Oh, sorry. Did I interrupt?
Yeah, Master P's in the mafia. Don't fuck with him.
Yeah,
He's
they're
gonna.
like, oh, he's a gangster.
Friday then. Ooh.
Saturday, Sunday, what?
I knew you couldn't do that.
I might wait for this 30-minute to close, and then if we can break below, that would be a good entry for sales.
Yeah, it has to close. I mean, under that 150 level, then that would be nice.
Yo, look at my story, Augustus. Look at my story. Look at my story. Look at it.
Watch out, price is starting to break below as well.
Yeah.
Instagram.
Look at it, quick.
Gold is bleeding. It's bleeding, man.
You see it? Ooh. Oh, the 5 minute just closed bearish. Very nice.
I see.
It is a new what?
I just feel Augustus is in already. Are you, mate?
Yeah, he was quiet. This man's not talking.
No. But to be honest, if I would be looking at the 5 minute, I would be in at 150.010.
Once I broke that
5 minute low.
I thought so. I thought so. Yeah. The next time Augustus is gonna call his entry, right?
That was my entry yesterday.
Yeah. Next time Augustus is gonna call his entry, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see. Take a look.
I mean, it would be sensible to sell below that 5 minute low, sort of anticipating the volume to push down to at least to the bottom of the range, and that what gives you 10 pips at least. And if you're anticipating for us to push even further down, it should be good. But I wasn't looking at the 5 minute, so.
Yo, Ricky, man. What are your plans? What are you looking for GJ or gold?
I'm looking to break 900
Okay. Yeah, no,
at
nice.
a 1 hour.
Very nice. Very nice. Looks good, man.
But Fridays I am taking health risk.
Oh yeah, good.
Only, yeah. Normally I used 1%, but on Friday and Mondays I use only health.
Yeah, that's good, man.
So
Good
that-
management right there. Hopefully it works out.
taking
Let's
some
see.
bad experience
Yeah, it
on
is
Mondays and Fridays. Yeah.
Soon it will become better after time.
Yeah.
Trust me.
Yeah, I think you can already see some nice progressions from when we started these streams to up until now.
Yeah. Oh, we are about to tap 500 live viewers on the stream on London. Take a look. I'm just waiting for the low to be broken. Yes, soon, Cornella. Soon. I'll be creating it. Don't worry, man. Just putting stuff on paper right now. Seeing how I'm gonna deal with certain situations for the mentorship, and then execute on it and have a small group. That's what I'm gonna say right here as well now. Small group of around 50 people. So it's all personal. Gonna be personal mentorship, personal calls and stuff like that. Not just in a group.
Speaking about Italy, I was watching Gladiator yesterday, and boy, oh boy, that movie is amazing.
Yeah.
Well, you never watched
Classic.
Gladiator?
Oh,
Man,
I think yeah, that's
Russell Crowe.
Yeah.
it's like gold, man. It's amazing.
It's tragic, man. It's so difficult to watch emotionally, man.
Oh, mate, he lifts me up, man.
No, of course it does, but then you know what I mean, like what happens
Oh
to
yeah,
his
yeah.
family. Oh man, it's so heartbreaking.
Yes.
Trust.
Yes. I'm not allowed to watch it anymore on Netflix. It got deleted in the Netherlands, I think.
What?
Yeah.
Seriously?
I don't think they have a Netflix or on Netflix The Gladiator.
Oh, really?
So.
Yeah, it's gone now. It's gone. It's too old probably, and then they just delete it.
But mate, that's a classic. That man, I
Yeah,
watched it. I
right.
don't know, like 25 times.
Damn.
Yeah, Russell Crowe, man, that guy, the way he, provided and acted in that movie is just amazing, man.
Yeah, man. I just see in the chat, to interrupt for a second, Master P, your mother is gonna cook us some nice food soon, right?
Yeah.
Some spaghetti.
To be honest, I tried the lasagna in Italy when I was in Rome with my missus, and mate, it's absolutely amazing. It's so lovely, the texture and everything. The food in Italy is
Yeah, it's amazing.
it's amazing.
Yeah, over there in Naples, they sell pizzas as street food. Like you just have a stand on the thing, and they just sell pizzas. You roll it up in like an ice cream cone, and you just eat it on the go like that. It's just
that's amazing
over there. Yeah, so this candle seems like it's giving a confirmation soon. I had a question from the bullet. What do you think about buys since it was a fake out and there are clean candles? Only thing that bothers me is the range. Do you think it is worth it? I don't know. Buys? I don't know. Like maybe on the 15-minute on GJ buys on that fake out? I don't think that's a fake out. That's
At the
more
top, maybe.
that's like yesterday 1 hour candle.
Oh, yesterday? Yeah.
No,
I
like
mean,
today at 150, 200, like those 30 minutes.
yeah, I mean, that was in Asia Open. I mean, we're in
Hey, Chula, I don't know
first-
if you've seen me trading last year, but you would know if you seen me last year.
Yeah.
You would know. Trust me. Just a rough start of the year.
For a fake out, if it was supposed to be a fake out, that big bullish bar, like bearish bar, you know, I would look at the half an hour at least to actually confirm that it is a fake out. But because the 15-minute close bullish does not necessarily mean it's a fake out.
Yeah, and you know, we had the previous 4-hour closed bullish too, but one candle doesn't mean change in direction, especially on GJ with such high volume. Next candle would just break the low and continue down.
I share my profits already, Betula, so don't worry about it. On the gram.
Yeah, he shares.
People looking for some sort of validation. You know?
Yeah, man. People that know, people that are in the Slack group of Market Fluidity last year, they know who I am.
Yeah, that's
And if you don't, you came in too late.
Man's like Michael Jordan of Forex, you know?
Yeah, when I came in, you're like the anonymous dude. You were just like winning every day. I'd take losses. I'd see your chart. I'm like, how does this guy win every day?
He was calling trades left and right.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
It was crazy.
Yeah, I guess you just went away for 2 months and.
Yeah, 2 months, and just after the market just slipped a bit underneath me. Just need to find my small. Need to find. Yeah. Exactly. You know you've done it before, so it's easy to come back. Just takes time. Everything takes time. It's not a race at the end of the day, anyways. So yeah.
Yeah, last 4 hour did close bearish. Mine too.
$30 about to close. It's pretty good. It's respecting this, and it's going to break this low right now. It would be pretty good because at the moment it's not faking out yet.
Yeah, the 1 hour will break its own low in the second half, so that's pretty good too.
Even if this candle closes at 50, man, themselves are going to be insane. I think because it's closing with a huge wick, rejecting this zone at that moment. 15 is going to close bearish at that time. Oh, no, that's wrong.
I think Carnala over here asks, we have seen the candle breaking previous 1 hour, but the price went down when London opened. Why can't we expect the same move today? I think you're talking about the move we had yesterday that went, that did the fake out. I'm not sure, but I think once this 1 hour starts to break its own low, I think that's going to be the same move that happened yesterday to catch those sells that ran 40 pips.
100%.
Mr. Palix, I don't know anything about FIBs. So maybe in the team, do you know? Can you explain something about this FIB level? Wait, I'm first waiting for this 30 minutes to close, but it's, I don't know, man.
Yeah, this is closing in 30 seconds. Let's maybe take a look
I'm
at
gonna...
and then get back to the chart.
Close weak, bullish, top wick, break the low.
100%, bro. This is gonna be insane, probably.
Patience.
Yeah, but I want to see a top wick 100%.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
at least a tiny one.
At least tiny one. Yeah.
Go up. Go up.
You
At
see
this
one.
point, I still have my sell stop below the daily low. If I don't, but I'm looking.
Go up, my brother.
Yeah,
Well, the previous 15 closed
without a
wick to the bottom side. So
yeah, but if we're gonna break these levels, I think we could still continue moving back down because we rejected and look at pretty much as a 15-minute top wick.
100%.
I'm looking at a sell over here at 0.900, 149, 0.900, 0.890.
Yeah, me too. Finger on the trigger, man. Finger on the trigger.
And then
you mean below the 30 low?
Yeah, 30
yes.
low.
Anticipating that to break the daily. Okay.
Yes.
The daily low, and then once it breaks the daily
it
low,
would be best situation now if it just comes back up one more time and then down. But
that'd be ideal over there. Can we see 900, 890? 900, so close. Oh,
there we go. I'm in.
Off we go, boys.
Off we go. Don't jinx it though. My entry is 906.
You know, you can manage your risk if it comes back into the range and
Yeah.
whatever.
100%.
This entry, my stop loss is like just above the current candle, so it's like 7 pips, man.
Because
Like,
look,
Yeah,
whatever.
my sell stop got triggered too. So I'm in half position at the break of the low, and then a half position on the sell stop at the break of daily low. And now price should just drive down to create its bearish daily body. Exactly same situation as yesterday.
Some
80,
clear waters
Up
now.
6
69.
pips, 7 pips.
6 pips.
Over here, I'm gonna close 50% and just leave another 50 running
Oh.
over here once that happens. So let's close. Boom, closed.
Break even. Trigger activated.
I closed my first position at 9 pips, and I'm gonna put stop loss at break even on my sell stop.
9 pips?
And basically, yeah, first position.
Oh, you got that first position in already, huh?
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, fuck, you know what? Oh, I saw 9 pips on my counter, but that was the total. Oh,
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Oh, no. Okay, a little miscalculation error from me. So I closed one position a little, like...
Because I'm thinking,
7.
how is this guy got 9 pips?
Yeah, I'm like, bro,
Really
we
at
got in at,
5.
you get in at 900. I got a better entry.
Yeah.
I think.
Oh, yeah, I saw, yeah, the pip counter was adding up both positions. So I'm like, 9 pips, let's close one. And
I just
Yeah,
took my
it's heavy like that, man. We live and learn, bro. We
amateur
live and
hour
learn.
over here. God
Oh,
damn.
fuck, man.
It is what it is.
No.
Oh, no.
No.
Let's go,
I did
GJ.
something very stupid now. No,
Oh, no, you
why?
closed full position. You
Yeah,
forget.
no. I was closing half, yeah. And I just click on full close.
Oh no.
Thank you, GJ. Thank you, GJ, for
It
10
is what
pips.
it is.
Thank you.
No.
Thank you,
Wait.
thank you.
Well, it's okay.
How
Luke.
many pips did I get? I don't even know. Oh, wow.
So
Man,
about 7.
6,
I
7
At
pips.
the dots.
For fuck's sakes, man. It is what it is. I got...
What a cool, boys. What a way to end the Friday.
Shit, man. Why did I fuck that up? Man? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Ooh, closed
Oh
50%.
shit.
Holy.
Go.
Why,
Right.
GJ?
Risk
Why
free now.
myself? I with the
Don't
magic
worry about
keys
it.
things.
You caught
Oh
the sauce.
man.
That's the important part.
That's what I did last night. Last night I caught that trade you guys got at 670, but I only opened a 0.05 instead of a
Wow.
0.5.
Get the magic
It
keys,
is
yeah.
what it is.
Get the magic keys, bro. I'm such an idiot. I'm a fucking idiot, to be honest with you. No. I'm my own worst
Another-
enemy. Exactly. I just... Why?
Nice move.
Boys, it's Friday then.
It's Friday.
Friday,
I don't
something,
mind. I
what?
turned my week into profits again, so...
Hey, what a trade, right? What a trade.
Yeah,
Everything was explained.
Exactly.
Everything was explained. The risk management, the entry levels, the take profits.
I have 3 wins
All
for this week
loose.
and 1 loss.
Guys, if you're not gonna give a like to the stream, I'm fuming.
running.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, come on, guys. Now we called out a winning trade over here. This is the time to smash that like button, you know?
Man, for
Before
fuck's sakes.
before it was kind of like, you know, if you wanted to, you could. But now you guys, come on, we called out this
It-
winning trade.
We got 600 people watching, by the way.
It dropped
And
14
my ass pressed the wrong button.
That move literally happened as I'm sitting
Eh?
down in the toilet. Yeah, congrats.
No. I had
I
a
remember-
savage entry, though.
Luke, I remember when I tried to close half of the position, and then I pressed it by accidentally twice, and I was like,
Really?
left.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
'Cause the those things are really soft, and when you touch them, they're like really sensitive in that term.
Yeah,
The
100%.
buttons,
Yeah.
the buttons are really sensitive in that term. So
You know what
I
I once
touched
had? I had my calculator open, and it was actually like in a bullish trend, and my calculator was standing bearish, and I wanted to click open calc, and I clicked open trade.
yeah, so remember, man, and I got left with like 0.25%. I'm like, what am I gonna do with this, man?
Yeah.
Like
Oh,
it's
it is what it
it's too low.
We turned
But
it
yeah,
though.
what a,
But we
what a good
turned it
trade.
though into them blue things, you know.
guys,
do you trade
4
gold?
trades this week, 4 wins.
I got 3 wins, 1 loss, but my loss was pretty big. But still, profit. Profit is profit. Made like, I had like 10 euros commission, so
Man, this week,
I should have. Man, I'm fucked about the fact that I just closed full position because that would have been a big win. 10 pips was easy,
Oh yeah, 10 pips was there.
man.
this week I had
Actually,
1, 2, 3, 4,
yeah, go ahead.
8 trades and 1 loss over here, and I got a runner still running, so that was a 1 loss over there. Got like a runner running over here. That was really nice. Made 6%, 7%.
We went down like
this
50.
session,
Nice.
7%.
It went down like 14, 15 pips. Very nice. Oh man, why am I not in?
Runner
That's
should hit.
This
Well-
week I had 6 trades and all of them winning trades, and I'm really happy, guys. Sorry to enjoy that, but
no
That's
problem,
good,
man.
man. We want you
Oh,
to
well
enjoy
done,
that.
Augustus, man. That's amazing. I had
Yeah.
1 loss out of 8 trades.
But what I said about this candle closing bullish, yeah, that 15, next one came down. This one rejected, breaks the low, it's gonna go off.
you see what I'm talking about? 5 minutes.
Yeah,
If
man,
I would
100%.
be-
That 5
If I
minute,
would be there, if I
key.
was looking at that point, I'd be
very
like
good.
25 pips from that point. But
Yeah.
because you should anticipate the volume to break down.
Augustus,
that-
would you?
Mhm.
Sorry to interrupt. Right. I'm just going to annotate here. Give me a
Yes,
second.
go ahead. Guys, I got
Pick-
one thing though. We got 610 people in and only 230 likes. So we just called out a winning trade of 15 pips, man. Where are the likes?
guys,
come on,
hit that
guys.
Where are the
like, bro.
likes?
Hit
Run
that
to
like.
149
And the
pips,
subscriptions. We can hit 3,000 again today. We got hammered by YouTube, yeah, hammered. So pull it back.
Man, giving
Yeah,
money
3K
free.
again.
Augustus,
Mhm.
right? Let's say, okay, I'm just picking your brains, and I think a lot of people would also want to ask this question. Okay,
Yeah.
your entry would be here for sells, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah,
Mhm.
that's your anticipation for that to break and go further low. Yep,
Mhm.
because we a higher time frame, even 30, 15 minutes, it would make sense for us, right?
Mhm.
Your stop loss would be here, I presume.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just above 5 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah, so stop loss, I don't know how much that is right now at the
Mhm.
moment, right?
That's like
So-
4.5 pips.
So you entered here, my friend, right? Right.
Mhm.
And when it comes back to your break even there, would you have closed it, or would you have managed it?
Unless it would come above the body.
Oh, above the body, so round about
Yes.
here.
Yes, because if we have a breakout candle,
Mhm.
you don't want to see the next candle breaking more than 50% of that candle.
Okay, so you'd look at the body in this case.
Yes. So basically, if the next candle would come up and break the body, I would get out, or probably get out with the 50%.
Awesome, right? Because the way I was thinking, because I saw that and I was like, oh, Augustus, you must have been in. But what I would have done, right? What I would have done if I was Augustus and if I was taking this trade, I would have probably closed it when it was in break even, and I would have choked my trade.
Yeah, but then
understand?
you're thinking,
Yeah,
then
exactly.
you're looking at the 15-minute, and as long as 15-minute closes bearish, it's still creating resistance, right?
Because at the back of my mind there was that potential for it to be a fake out. So there was that potential. So I was like thinking, like, would it like close up here somewhere?
Yeah, but
No?
you see the bearish candle, and you
Mm.
see those last 2 bullish candles. You see the
Yeah.
volume coming in.
Oh, small, isn't it? It's really
Mhm.
small. Ah, right.
And
okay.
and
Fucking amazing, man.
I do this a lot, and
I see what you mean.
I was
right.
speaking to Master P and looking on about this, that we have those 3 steps, and then we
Mm.
have a breakout.
Ooh, Big
Right,
Mac just
right.
secured 600. Very nice, man. Good, man.
I
Good
see
job.
what
Good
you mean.
job.
Thanks, Augustus, man. That was very meaningful indeed, bro. Cheers.
No
I
worries, man,
understand.
no worries.
Makes sense, man. Cheers. Appreciate
No
it.
worries.
Wow.
It's going,
GG's
man.
going.
It's going.
Holy
man.
Oh
this
my
nigga.
god.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
20 pips.
I just wanted a 50% runner, man. I mean, man's closing full position accidentally.
I closed full at 20 pips now.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Oh my
GG,
god.
yeah, I mean, mine was
We are the 4-hour
Uh,
range, guys.
No
So
way.
to the left.
daily
This
level.
would have been full TP hit. Let's get them horns out
24.
right now.
24
Oh
pips.
my god.
Let's go.
If you
Yeah.
guys don't like this, man, I don't know what you like.
Drop some cash on the screen.
Yeah.
The whole week,
Thank
same
you, thank you,
setup. on
thank you, Live
TzRzetHz.
Trades London. Thank you so much, man.
Yeah, we've been winning so much this April. It's Q2
It's
magic.
ridiculous, man. It's even funny how much we're winning.
Yeah, and for the
This-
guys that missed this trade, honestly, it's the same exact situation that happened for the past 3 days in a row at
whole
the
week.
same
I
time.
want to talk
Uh,
one moment about
Yes, yes,
Augustus'
yes.
entry, because this is actually what he's saying and what he's looking at is pretty smart. We got music in the background as well.
Sorry.
Then that's all good. You can play whenever you want, man.
oh,
So at the end of the day, you see this. This is the 8:14. Yeah, this is 1 minute time frame. This candle went up without a wick. Yeah. So this is what Augustus is talking about. The next one opened, went down without a wick as well, broke the previous low. Yeah, on the 1 minute time frame. That's the as well as the 5 minute time frame. That's the previous low of the 5 minute time frame right here. This was a very beautiful setup to take if you're trading those smaller time frames as well, because this was practically just a retest on those lower time frames. You look left right here,
Yeah, those are really
these
good
levels.
entry.
And we always see that at support or at resistance, candle slightly retraces and then pushes down. Yesterday, we seen the same thing on 1 hour, I guess, or 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Hey, Augustus, get on the webcam over here, mate.
I'm going outside quickly. So
okay.
when I'm come back, yeah.
We all
sure.
need to get on the webcam and do a little picture. A photo.
Cool.
Yeah, man, it's such a blessing.
Friday then, Saturday, Sunday, what?
My runner is like 0.05, which is about, what is that? 1%? Yeah, 1%, and it's giving me 0.5% return. It's pretty crazy.
Yeah, I close full position, man.
Good
Showing
trade.
the support that it is in.
Thank you, GJ, for
Bro.
trending.
Yeah, I wish I was
Yeah,
still
big
in with my
thanks.
50%.
Big thanks to GJ for this week. She's the real MVP here.
Yeah.
She's the gift that keeps on giving, man.
The
Thank
gift
you,
that keeps
DJ.
on giving. Yeah.
Yeah, it didn't range this week, which was good.
I came to charts thinking I'm not gonna take a trade, but then when the opportunity comes up like that, 3 days in a row.
You know, it was the same
Yeah,
for
what you
me,
gonna
man.
do?
I was like, it's a Friday. I've had a winning week, you know, like
I just use my full lot
7
size, to be
trades.
honest with you.
I only traded 0.3% because, you know,
I made
I didn't
1%,
wanna.
like 0.80 to 1% around that. So it's still good. It's not bad, but it's a bummer that I accidentally closed that.
Oh yeah, 100%.
But still, nearly 1% is still good, day, man. So I don't really mind.
And it's a profit. That like
Exactly.
it's a winning trade, man. That's it.
Exactly.
No drawdown. That too.
Man, literally no Jordan, not even a micro pip.
No. And the thing is, I had a savage entry, yeah, a 907, and it punched down, yeah. So I think some people's self stops even got a bit slipped because of that. I just closed before it broke. That's pretty dangerous, but no.
Yeah, it's not even 8 o'clock in the morning, and we're kind of done for the day, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna have New York session, but let's take it easy
Yeah,
though.
of course. But then you know what I mean, like in all thing, you know, it's just like
Yo,
I'm so
look,
grateful for this, man.
The
Chris.
runner can eat
Yeah, man.
again
Thank you,
like
man. Trading
yesterday.
die. Yo, look. Can I ask you a question in Dutch? It's about tax in Holland. Yeah, go ahead. I wanna shout someone out real quick. Actually, two people. Let me go. I have a friend. And he's been supporting me for very long, and it for me it's pretty, you know, for him it's a real pretty big deal. He tries to do some, you know, some YouTube things, but it's just every time it's just not working out for him. If you guys could subscribe to this guy and make this guy to 200 subscribers today, that would be awesome. Like, I would thank you guys so much for doing that. And it's out of the trading thing, but this guy deserves it. He's been helping me since day one. also with this trading thing. So please do it. Please make his day, and that would make my day as well. 100%.
Let's get it, man. What's his name?
Here,
Rick.
yes,
Rick V.
Ravik.
Ravik.
yes. Do it, please, please. I would beg you guys to do it.
When I see
Just
the van in the name, it's already like the guy's from Netherlands. Like that's it.
no, he's actually he's not. Yeah, he's Dutch, but he's also
Send the link of the channel.
yeah.
'cause
I'll
it's-
Yeah,
send
that would be better.
the link.
I'll post
I
it.
think it's
Yeah,
in
done
the
it, man.
YouTube
Done it.
chat now. Perfect, man.
pump
I
that
would
up.
appreciate that from you guys
What content does he
so
do?
much. Just gaming and whatever,
Right.
but he deserves it. He
let's make
absolutely
his day.
deserves it. He been there since the beginning of trading and stuff, and for me as well. Just no.
You're gonna put you posted to the gulag as well. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's make his day. It costs us nothing.
158.
Us is nothing.
Let's go.
How much we going now? Let's push this. 160. 168.
70?
Push it. Press that button, guys. Just smack it. Smack it.
You know what? After that amazing call out from you, Luke, I'm gonna like all his videos as well.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Cost me nothing.
Just
I'm gonna help him.
Get
out.
that 200
Really.
subscribers in.
190?
Ooh, we're going. I'm gonna send him a video. He doesn't know. He doesn't know.
TP is gonna get hit soon.
Yeah. Yes, TP hit. Thank you guys, man. You guys are legends. You guys are absolute legends. Let me make a video for him right now. That flashlight off.
It's Friday then, Saturday, Sunday, what? Oh, what amazing day, guys.
Yeah, man.
Beautiful, beautiful week.
It was amazing, man.
Yeah, great week.
Yeah, thank you guys so much for doing this. Thank you. Just pressed him to that 200. Thank you guys. I appreciate that so much. Yeah, crazy.
To be honest, I think that's the move for the day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably maybe a pullback on your New York session to maybe retest the low, but I think this was the big move, yeah.
Yeah.
Just a shout out to all the guys in YouTube and YouTube chat. Well done if you guys took this, man. Amazing. Thank you for being here with us, man. I think you've got to say that as well, man. We're one big community, aren't we?
100%, because we had a lot of people leaving the stream yesterday when Luke took a loss, and you know they come here only for the signals, but the real ones stay on.
Yeah,
The
man,
losses
you
stay
saw that
on.
yesterday. Oh,
And
we're one
and the
big
bits
family,
come.
man. Definitely.
how much we hitting? 250, man. Thank you guys. Thank you. Means a lot.
First time for me.
I like that comment in the YouTube from Docs. We'll keep each other out of the day jobs, man.
Yeah.
Man. I hope
That's the
so.
thing.
Like, let's just grow organically together, man.
That's the community we have, right? To help each other, to cherish each other, you
Absolutely,
know,
man.
support
I
and
mean-
go all the way.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, there are gonna be some bad days, but let's have a lot more good days than bad days, and let's just keep that in the back of our mind, man. You know, pull through together.
Yeah, man. 100%. 100%. Crazy time today, man. But over 600 people, just full on TP. Hope most of the people took good profits on the trade as well. Only I pressed full close. It is what it is. Yeah, we need to invite like a couple guys to the stream, like Kerwin to talk, or Alex Doe. I want Alex Doe on, bro. I'm a
We need
fan.
Raja.
As well. But I'm such a fan of Alex Doe, man. I like this guy so much. He's a good guy.
Definitely, Luke. We gotta try and get Raja in, man.
Can you
Definitely.
Yeah, I
imagine?
WhatsApped him, but he's busy right now.
Yeah,
Oh.
can you imagine we go to Raja? Hey man, you want to be a guest on our stream? He'd be like, what?
Yeah.
No, do it, man. Like, especially when he's in Pakistan, that would just be
Yeah.
amazing, man.
Yesterday in NY, people were like, can we get Raja as a guest? Like, can you imagine? I go ask him, hey Raja, do you want to be a guest on my New York session live stream? Be like, what?
On his, like,
Get
because
the
it's
hell
his
outta here.
time, innit?
Yeah.
Or even Uncle Ted. Yeah, that's not good shout.
If you can get in touch with Uncle Ted, yeah, he's like a unicorn though.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna make a video.
On
with
that,
my
you
friend.
saw that video of Raku in the plane. You saw that, you know, the small private jet to the left. That was
Yeah,
Mr.
that's Uncle Ted.
That's
wasn't
Uncle
it?
Ted.
That was
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome, man. Look at that go, man. Shit. It's the same setup as yesterday. 15 minutes break of the low. Same thing that happened. Look, do you just want to replay yesterday's trade? 15 minutes. Like, just the
The
similarities. is
cells. Oh
uncanny.
yeah, this is exactly the same. That's why I didn't look for buys. Look,
show it, bro.
look. But yesterday we had exactly the same situation. We came in from a downtrend. The only thing is that the 4-hour looked a bit different, but based on all the other time frame, we looked the same. We made a fake out right here. If we go back,
Right there.
right there, we had a fake out before, and this one faked out again. But I was like, yeah, we're in a downtrend. Same situation happened. If you look. Here, we got a top, we got some consolidation. We go down again. Here, we got the top, we got some consolidation. Fake out. This candle didn't even manage to create a fake out. Candles started breaking the daily lows and started to reject off this level. Entries on break off the low, and it just pumped down. You know, same situation. If you look at this, and you look at this, it's exactly the same. It's exactly the same. You know?
Consolidation, break below support, create some sort of support, and then break below that, and that's it.
Yeah. Very nice.
Ricardo, if you're still here, can we listen to some ukulele, man? I think that deserves on a Friday.
Oh, whoa. Insta for info getting into the Zoom. Whoa, relax, man, Vizier. Relax, man, bro. Don't spam that much, man. Message Luke on Insta for info getting into the Zoom. There's gonna be a mentorship group, man, but it's gonna take probably another month. It's gonna be a small group, so you know, take it easy. Take it easy. Everything, information is gonna come on the gram, and I'm gonna tell it here once I'm ready for it. Don't worry. Gonna come. Just a little bit more patience, such as trading. You need to have that patience, man. Otherwise, you're not gonna get a good entry. Oh man, that's crazy. You took this?
This
Lovely
church from
entry.
David off, right? Oh, that's...
Yes.
We got Vespucci in the house. How's Vespucci doing over here in the Gulag? Can you Instagram, please? I send you my entry. You can send us your entry over here in the Gulag.
Baguette. What was it again, guys? The French word?
Baguette.
Yeah, I think someone else said something else about that word. What was that again? Oh, shit. Man's in from the top. Yeah. Very, very nice. You know what's funny?
What's funny?
You always see those reactions. I don't know if you looked yesterday on my YouTube channel and like the comments and stuff. With the notifications, you get all those crypto notification, man. So these people like, oh, this and this guy made me 20,000 out of $200, and I'm like, bro, just leave my channel, man. No one is interested.
Oh my god, we got this guy in the Gulag, Shaft Craft. You can send us your entry from the Gulag by sending a chart. Maybe Luke, if he's feeling kind enough, he'll show you how to do that.
Yeah, so make a screenshot here of your chart.
We're doing the camera, yeah?
Oh, man's got the camera. Finally, Mr. Augustus, man. Man's got the camera. Look at him flexing, you know. Look at them biceps. You see them biceps, bro. You see them biceps. Oh, damn. Yeah, so you go to screenshot, and here you got the URL. You just copy this part of it, and you put it into the chat. Then I can see it, and then I can review it. Don't do this. Don't do this part. Make a screenshot, and then this part. And the screenshot can here be made by this little camera.
And we're trading New York session too this afternoon.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Hey guys,
Then we
good morning.
Good morning,
Hey,
good morning,
morning.
man. How are you, man?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, pretty good, man.
Those curves were really nice, but I don't trade the London, but those curves. I got in like by 0.5% risk, and I got it on 10 pips.
If I can be honest with you, I didn't hear anything you said. Can you say it again, please? The mic is pretty off, I think. Hello? Bigger?
Yeah.
Yeah, now I can hear you better. What do you say?
I got in like so I got in,
It's not working, man. I can't.
0.845.
What's your entry?
The same as us, 845.
Oh, okay. Yeah, pretty good, man. Nice job. But I can't. Your internet, it's off. I mean, yeah. Thank you for telling your entry as well. Very nice, man. Good job that you took it.
Yeah, and I guess if we're gonna trade New York session, I'm gonna be really curious to see if we can have a bullish candle on the 4-hour to retest the high.
Exactly.
It's just gonna be a little bit of a, well, I guess not an over trading day. I took only one trade today, but I have some profits to
So,
leverage.
yeah.
It's a good week, so why the hell not?
You just made 1%, or I mean, you risk 1% on this one, right?
Yeah, pretty much. I made 1.5%, and I still have a runner running, which is getting about.
If you just use like 0.5 in New York session, just
Yeah, exactly.
keep them profits and
Yeah, a little bit.
pretty good.
Yeah, with GJ we should, yeah, we should hit like 0.500. I think.
Yes. Easy.
Easy target, but
I
ultimately,
don't know. The thing is, because we got the 4-hour consolidation zone to the left, so
Yeah.
I'm a bit skeptical if we can move that much on a Friday.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Because that's a weekly close, and if you look at the weekly close, we want to close with some sort of whip to the bomb side, right, for the next week, to get those sells to the daily support. So I think that just would make sense.
You know the
And
vibe.
looking at the daily, how it pushed down the last 2-3 days. I mean, you could expect maybe like a smaller daily body, like you said, making that top, that bottom wick for next week or so. Yeah.
Because 660 level sort of is a daily resistance to the left that we haven't, so we might respect that area, and then for the next week to make
666 was the target.
Illuminati pullback, and then just get to the daily lows. That would be amazing.
Yeah. It's ugly right here. Will you guys take another trade after a win like that, or you guys just call it a perfect situation? If we see a perfect situation, we will probably take another trade.
Yeah.
So, hey, look, can you take a look at my chart? I have a question. Yes, sir. Mateo. Let's take a look. Is it? Guys, don't forget to subscribe and like. Especially subscribe. We lost a lot of subscribers yesterday because of YouTube hammering us.
3,000 if you want a London, if you want a New York session.
Oh shit. Okay.
Yeah, I mean,
we're calling levels 100. We got 550 people in right now. We had more than 600. We had like
we're at 2,900 subscribers. Get us to 3,000 and we'll host you the best New York session.
Yeah, but no. Them
he is demanding.
Bro, but the thing is, people are gonna put those spam accounts in, and then we're gonna get crashed again. So please, guys, don't create any spam accounts. Just normal account that you use.
Yeah.
Don't the spam accounts. They YouTube sees that and they're hammering you. You know.
Yeah. But I mean, we made such great calls. I think we can start kind of demanding things now, you know?
Oh, masterpiece! He man's like, oh, we're listening. We're talking to the gulag now. Oh.
Luke, can
Yeah.
you go to 15 minutes in GJ, please? Current market structure.
What happened
So
to gold, by the way?
So just a quick update, yeah.
Yeah.
Just zoom out slightly, please.
Well,
So, like, if you did miss, like, if I had missed that impulse, not impulse, like that breakout trade, initial move, yeah. What I would be looking at is, so this move happened. Now I would either want it to retrace and get that move in from here to here and further, maybe. So that's my next move. Or if this candle closes here with a
we're
good
getting
wick,
called scammers by
then
calling out a
enter.
savage trade, and you're gonna get banned.
That is something I'd be looking at now.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
pretty good.
but that's
I
pretty
think-
good if you against that daily level.
But retrace would be ideal.
To that 5 minute.
Yeah, I
Damn.
think you're gonna on the higher time frames, you're gonna get that towards when the 4-hour closes, towards that time, because now we still have clean traffic left and volume to continue this move down and create a low. I think that low is gonna be like, you know, towards the 4-hour close, and then we'll see something like yesterday, where it pulled back pre and Y.
Like, this is what I like to see.
Yeah, that's
just some information, guys. Even there is not much, there is information, and I can't read your mind. So this is good. There is something. Yeah, that's pretty good, man. Very, very nice. I'm so bummed about the fact that I just closed full close, but I still had pretty good profit. 7 pips profit.
Yeah, you were in it. That's the most important.
Made like 1%. Not even
Exactly.
0.80.
You executed, you know? That's the point. You executed on the trade that you wanted to take. So
Exactly.
You know.
So, you know, get in there. Get him back up there. Oh, you got. Yeah, very nice, man. Gold got down a little bit. How would you guys manage breakout trade? Oh, but it was curious how you would have managed it if you go to. But there were a couple of situations. First of all, this was an impulsive entry, so I wouldn't have been in long if I went into drawdown. Second of all, I think once this candle went down and it broke the low, if this 5-minute candle flipped bullish, I would have been out. The reason why I would have been out because this candle is not showing any bearish momentum at the moment. There was this range created, but this candle didn't create the range for this candle to go down. And this works most of the times, like 80% of the time this happens. So the trade was more risky once we started taking it. But if we took this, we got the entry, got back up, started creating a high again, we pretty much rejected off this level and respected this now. And the probability of going back up is pretty high then. So that's how I would have managed it, and that would have been like a 4.5 pip loss if that would have happened.
Yeah, if you look at this entry on the daily time frame as well.
A 15-minute time. I'm talking about 5 minutes. I'm talking about 15 minutes.
I know, but if you take a look at the daily time frame, because people are asking why our stop loss was where it is, and why we took it. Maybe you can you expand the tool, the the risk to reward tool, so it shows up the daily as well.
Yes, sorry. Oh, that's the wrong.
No, like expand it from our entry, like just on
the risk management.
Yeah, go back to the lower time frame.
Oh yeah.
And then drag it to the left, more to the right, like expand it to the right so it shows on the daily as well.
What do you mean?
Like there on the right, go no, bring your mouse right there, yeah, and expand it.
No, you want like that? Oh, I was like,
so
okay, sorry, man.
Daily.
Oh, it was too small, yeah. Sorry, man. There we go.
Yeah, so now you can kind of see it on the daily. So this trade was taken once the daily created its high over here, it had no business coming back up to this high. And once it broke the low, we were approaching Frankfurt. We were in Frankfurt Open, approaching London Open. So the European market was open, London was about to open, and once it started breaking these lows and this range, it had no business coming back up here. So our stop loss was, you know, roughly over here, because once price broke this low, there was no business. It needed to create its body. Because once a candle creates its high, the next thing it needs to do is create its low, and then it closes wherever it closes with the body.
Yep.
So
That's
we
what you
took our
exactly
entries over
explained
here.
yesterday as well on the on New York session to some people.
Yes, if this is confusing, go take a look at yesterday's stream at around London Open. We took this exact same trade. And if you look 3 days ago, Augustus, he took this exact same trade at the same time 3 days ago as well. So
100%.
Just the market
100%.
is just continuously
yes, if you have any questions
mirroring.
about this, just the charts have all the answers.
Yeah.
I think you wanted to talk about gold.
Someone is about gold. Who is about gold? Oh, me.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah. Oh no, it just went
you
down
wanna
a bit.
talk about gold?
No. It's just went down a bit.
Yeah,
Did
because you
close
can-
30-minute. Did close bullish, but didn't close above 49.75.
Yeah, you need a higher time frame confirmation, like
Yep.
4-hour closing bullish.
What's the average stop loss you guys used? Around 10 to 15 pips. Oh man, look at gold dropping. Broke the
Yeah,
low.
it's trading below.
Oh damn.
I think that's pretty good because then it can leave a wick down, rejecting.
You could also just stop at this level right here, 145.50, because you see those taps.
Yeah. Or as long as it stays above 1745.
Yeah, then it's good. Gonna put some music on real quick.
I'm gonna take a little walk over here. Be back in a minute.
Can you get me coffee?
Sure. I'll drive it to you.
Gonna be a pretty long drive, man. Very nice.
And we can see, as I said, if we have a move before London Open in probably pre-London time, we might just consolidate with the London Open, and that's what we're doing. I spoke about this yesterday and even 2 days ago.
Exactly.
Or if we don't have a move in pre-London, the London move will make its top wick or bottom wick in a different direction, like we did yesterday. Then we dropped, and then the move happened at 9 o'clock GMT. So just pay attention to those times.
Augustus, can you explain some about your Lithuanian course? The people that maybe are Lithuanian in the chat.
Oh yeah. The thing is, thanks for
Where's-
actually mentioning. For the people that are interested, I'm doing a mentorship as well now. For the time being, it's one-on-one, but I'm creating a course itself. The thing is, it's going to be similar to Raja's, but obviously with my own
Yes.
bits and pieces that I'm explaining here on a YouTube stream.
And all in
So-
Lithuanian as well.
Yeah, everything is in Lithuanian at this very moment.
Someone has a
So the
mic
people that
on.
are interested. So if you look, I don't know if you can just put my Instagram maybe for the people,
Yes.
because I know we got some Lithuanians watching as well.
Exactly. That's why I mentioned it like a second ago.
Thank you, man. Appreciate that.
No problem, man.
Honestly.
This is Augustus. If you're Lithuanian and you're looking for a mentor that's actually a very, very good trader, he's been doing very well. Also, creating a course for the beginners. This is the guy you need to go to.
Thank you.
No problem, man.
Yeah, so we have some free information on Instagram as well, just for you to get the basic knowledge at the beginning.
Yep.
And to understand the way I'm explaining things. So, and if you like it, you know, you can always join me. But there's like, you know, there's no pressure. You just can watch me and see my journey. And then if you fancy to join it, then the time will come for you.
Exactly, and at the end of the day, you can see him trading live here as well. So,
Oh yeah. Calling every day, guys. We calling this every day, so there's no cap, you know.
yeah, next
We're
time.
not hiding behind nothing. So
So you're hiding behind
we
those
do this
lots.
every Yeah, I had to give that statement, man. Because
Yeah.
I received a message and it was like, man, you're giving those trades, but you're hiding your lot. And I was like, okay, let me give you some nuggets, man.
My guy.
And then boom, 500 pounds profit straight away. So
why didn't you enter on this candle break?
Man, Augustus, that was awesome. Do you speak Russian, Augustus?
I do understand it. Yeah, I understand more than I speak because we coming back in Lithuania from Soviet Union background.
Ooh, someone has a very like the mic is like that. Yo, Gussus, you still there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, perfect.
So,
oh yeah, I think it's because you're on speaker, right?
Yeah. That's the thing. So I moved away from my computer. It's the ventilation noise.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
When's the headset coming?
Sorry?
When's the headset coming?
Ooh.
man's throwing in the 3 lots.
I'd rather buy the new computer, man, instead of headset.
Or you're dropping them big lots, so you should be able to.
No, I will. But the thing is, I'm moving away from this house in a few months.
Yeah.
So I don't see the point of buying now, you know, and then we have to pack everything and, you know, go to the other house. So I don't see the point of buying now, but obviously eventually I will because I need something good.
Yeah, makes sense. At this chart, I don't know what candle you mean. Close with the body. Why didn't you enter on this candle break? Like what candle break? Well, this one.
He thinks at the 1 hour close. Like, why did you not enter at the 1 hour close? And for me, it's simple. Why
this one. Oh, the reason why I didn't get into that one is, first of all, it didn't have a huge wick. Second of all, it was at 880. That's the daily level. So there was no range. If you count this range right here, you do this, and you do range. How much is it? How much is this? To be honest, 2.8 pips. That's not range for me to trade in, you know. So once we see that rejection, and once price starts breaking the low, we know bearish momentum is going to go down. We just made a lower low, lower high, and now we're going to create the lower low again, and now we're going to create the lower high again. So it broke that level, and momentum pushed below that daily level and pushed us further down. That's, you know, just market structure right there forming.
And yeah, because it was the 1 hour close, you would expect the top wick before it to go down.
Yeah.
More confirmation.
Yep.
There goes my runner.
It is what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what I said. You know, we had the nice move to pre-London, and that might be a move for the day because we had the 4 hour and daily sort of support resistance area. So, and my question is, if we close in this week now, how do you want to see the weekly candle closing? So you wouldn't expect too much of a push to end the week and close a nice bearish weekly candle below the support of the week, making a bottom wick for us to sort of fill and break it into the next week.
He's like, what's going on? The guy we subscribed
Sorry,
to.
Augustus, could you say that again? I couldn't really miss that.
So what I was saying, we are at the daily support resistance and a 4 hour support consolidation area, which is to the left. Mm-hmm. And we already made the move in the pre-London. So if we make a move in the pre-London and we are at Friday, so what's the probability of us pushing even lower when we have a week close and this week is gonna close probably below the weekly support, and you have that. You want to have that liquidity. Sorry, not liquidity. Range wick to the bottom side for the next week, for us to make a liquidity wick and then push down to break those weekly lows and probably to fill that weekly wick, which is to the left, and that's going to be your daily support level at that time. You just got to plan for the next week already.
Yeah, with that, it needs to retrace back, don't it? Like that's the anticipation. If we're looking at it from that perspective, just so that it has a little wick. The weekly candle has a little wick. So yeah.
So you want to have some sort of retracement at that time.
Yes. At least up until like 150, 800, 150, 700, like for the rest of the day.
As long as we close below 150, 200, I think we're really good to go to the daily support.
Yeah. I see that. Yeah. From the weekly, we're looking at the weekly candle. Yeah.
My runners are at break even.
Yeah. Just tapped it.
I closed it when it hit 20 pips. Man, honest. I was like, I'm done for the week. Like, if it was any other day, I would have like left it for like 100, 200 pips. But yeah, I closed it.
That's for more towards the start of the week.
Man, with this beautiful. Sorry, Master.
No, go on. Yeah.
No, I was just gonna point out that probably from the next week I might even increase my lot sizes more.
Mine's dropping them 5 lots.
Yeah, you're going to 5. That's the next target. 3 lots, 4 lots, 5.
I'm gonna see, but maybe 4.5.
Okay, that's really good. Yeah,
because the way I was managed to get my percentage levels up, even from yesterday, I made more than, I'd say 5%, 5.5 on those trades, because I took 40 pips yesterday, so I'm really happy. Go on, Master.
Yeah, I'm also looking to increase my risk this week, like next week, because this week I'm up like 7-8%. So like I have profits to leverage. So, and I'm doing 0.40 cent lots. So I'm thinking just go up to 50 cent lots, and if that goes well, deposit some extra cash into the account. So that.
But that's huge, right?
Yes. So then 50 cents becomes 1%, and I can see if I can get the 2% and use like 1 lot by May.
Yeah, and leave that thing running. Yeah.
Yeah,
20 pips, you make more, make 2%.
Gold hit TP, man. It just came in.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, you were in sales.
My guy. 6
pips.
And now you're in buys again.
Sales, and now he's gonna
he just triggered the buys.
Yeah, this is a retested.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
To go up.
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
Looking for
not yet.
Yeah, what are you looking for to take a buy after Luca looks at this chart?
This is what I like. But I think it's the same chart, right? This is how this is good. You need to just put this into like a folder every day, and you can look back at it. And then you can look back later on what did you do wrong, like if things are not working out or anything. Look, Rafik is in the chat. He's thanking you guys for the subscription to his channel. Thank you. So yeah, if you just put this in a folder every day, and like maybe there's gonna be a month later in your trading career that just runs straight over you, and you're like, where am I? And then you can look back at those charts. What did you do? What did you look for? What did you think about? What did you want to see? Did you execute on the things you wanted to see? Did you follow your trading plan? All those things, and then you can take that into consideration why it's not working out for you right now. So pretty good, man. 1.4% profits. Very nice. Good job. Proud, man. Go ahead.
Yeah, Najim, what are you looking for on buys for gold? Because the 4 hours, it's a delicate situation. We need to see like a bullish 4 hour. That would be the ideal situation. But in the meantime, it might range in order to create that bullish 4 hour, or
I have to see like a
straight up.
See some bullish pressure first.
Wait, maybe if Luke can take a look on the week on the 1 hour chart on gold, I can draw.
I'm still have like a small position still
Yeah.
because I see like volume keep pushing down.
What leverage do you? Sorry. Yeah, go ahead.
Wait, let me draw that better actually. So what I'd want to see is like a 1 hour candle leaving a really big wick. So something like this, like a 1 hour candle which is bullish like this, but it leaves like a really deep wick. And I'd want to see this at like the start of the 4 hour candle so that the 4 hour can just look like, one fat candle going up.
Yeah.
So if you can go to the 4 hour,
Yes.
then yeah, if you get a candle like a 1 hour close with a big wick rejecting at the bottom, then the 4 hour might just look like this, like just one big candle going up in New York session. So that's something to look out for. I guess we're gonna trade New York session, risk some profits on gold, see if we can get that to happen, and just leave it running. That might bring me up to 10%. Can you imagine if I end the week with 10%? That just, I can't even comprehend. 7%.
Friday then.
It's been a great week for me, to be honest. It's been my best week so far.
Yeah.
Look, Pip's amount on the screen. Oh yeah, that's what I need to do.
Almost forgot.
Almost forgot it, man. People are
Like
hammering.
20 pips.
I'm gonna put in 50 because I only took 7.
Yeah, okay.
DJ sells plus 50. Most people took that 100%. Oh wait, I'll do it on the Zoom annotate thing. Yeah. DJ sells plus 15 pips.
Yeah,
Very nice.
I also think using Instagram as a trading journal is not a proper like way to journal and evaluate. Oh, sorry, 1 second. I got a visitor over here.
Okay, nice.
He got shook that somebody came in. Luke, I think you got still your white bar on the screen hanging.
What? Oh, damn. Sorry, man. Sorry, guys.
Hey, Najim.
Yes.
Sorry, could you go through your gold trade once again, please? I know you may have gone through it, but if
like
you could.
for subs that I took, or
Yeah, the ones that hit take profit.
so we have. Let me see my charts in here.
You could send a chart, or like annotate in Luke's
Yes.
screen so everyone understands.
Where do I need to go?
Okay.
Gold, man, gold.
Gold, and then 4 hour, 1 hour.
4 hour closed below. We have 1 hour closed below support.
Go on 1 hour.
4 hour very strong bearish. Are you doing your chart, Luke?
Luke,
What do I need to do?
1 hour. 1 hour.
Go,
1 hour.
go
Oh,
to 1 hour.
yes.
So we have that strong bullish bearish candle up there. The first that one closed below the support we had down.
Yep.
We have a support there. So I took the like sells in the next 1 hour.
This one.
Okay.
You took it on this one, right?
No, in
This
the
one.
bearish one, yeah.
Yes, very nice.
Based on 4 hour too,
30-minute close bearish as well.
Go to that hour for a second. I just noticed something. May I annotate? Yeah.
Yes, you can annotate whenever you want, man. Don't ask it.
You see that range here, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
This is the exact setup we had in the 15 minutes that we took in GJ.
Really?
But this was
15
in
minutes or 30 minutes, you mean?
30 minutes, sorry, 30 minutes, yeah. It's similar, isn't it? Like small bullish and boom, break off that.
It looks like that, yeah.
Yeah, but the thing is, you know, Najim sort of counter traded this one because with GJ we moved with the
Yeah,
direction
we
of
were
bias
in
from
we
bearish.
were in the trend. Yeah, correct,
Yeah.
correct. But then
Yeah.
like the candle structure, this pattern,
Mhm.
and this little candle closing below the
Booby
zone.
trap. That's a booby trap, like dry
Yeah,
balls.
yeah. This little one closing below the support now turning into a resistance is exactly the same principle. Okay, yeah, fair enough. This is trend is that way, but like you know that
No, it
candle.
makes sense because up the support we created resistance, whereas
Yeah,
and then we got the full candle to the left that
yeah,
we
and
can
this
easily to fulfill.
and with this close, it's a confirmation, isn't it? With this
Mhm.
candle close, and I'm like, and enter there. Well, Najim may have entered like here, looking at higher time frame, but then like, wow, it's just
You entered,
repeating itself, isn't it?
you entered in gold too?
No, I don't trade gold unless
Oh,
like there's a
okay.
lot of things like go like if all the like masterpieces, the stars, the moon,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
the Venus, the Earth, the Uranus, all aligned in the same place. That's when I trade gold. But GJ, I would have, yeah. What was
I
it that you
think
say, Master P? Like the
I
stars,
said
the
take profit,
moon,
take
the
profit to the
Uranus.
moon. Your stop loss Uranus. Because everybody is like, oh, let's go to the moon, take profit to the moon. But it's like,
Mate,
how are you going to manage risk?
Uranus is further away than the moon, man.
Hey,
You
man,
would have the
I'm just
stop
joking.
loss.
I don't know.
Stop loss in the moon, Uranus, take profit in Uranus.
I don't know the whole astrology, man. Don't embarrass me.
Oh,
But yeah, I
man.
mean,
Yeah,
most people,
I'm mocking about.
yeah, because most people as well, it does make sense because they take a buy at, like at the high, expecting to go to the moon, but then their drawdown is like 10 times bigger than what.
Yo, Master P.
Yeah.
Did the guy from Ferrari came? Did he say your car was ready for pickup or not?
The guy from Ferrari,
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm picking it up later. The
Your
dealership.
neighbor. It's pretty cool
Man,
to have
brought me
a neighbor
brand
as
new Pista.
yeah, man. It's pretty cool to have a neighbor that's a Ferrari dealership though.
Yeah.
I want to live in your neighborhood, Master P. Neighbors with Ferraris, bro.
Well, my neighbors don't have Ferraris, but like my office is right next to a Ferrari and Aston Martin dealership.
Pretty
What
sick.
inspiration, man. Do you know what? I'll be honest, right? I used to drive half an hour to get to Ferrari and Maserati dealership just so that I could be in front of them.
True, that's really
Yeah.
nice. They're really nice machines.
Things.
So
I used to
beautiful,
go to
man, so
McLaren's headquarters as well.
Oh, but that's a
Been
nice
walking.
headquarters. The only thing is that they catch fire really quickly.
Do you live near walking, Augustus?
No. I just drove there.
Oh wow. Yeah, I used to live
Because
near I used
Made.
to live like in Farnborough area. And
I see.
We got Ricardo on. There we go. Oh damn.
oh,
Ferrari.
Ferrari.
It's not.
It's up.
It's not mine.
Vintage.
But it's cool though.
Yet, Ricardo.
Yet. It's coming.
That's in the Modena Museum, in the Ferrari Museum in
Oh,
Modena.
damn.
in Italy.
Nice.
That's the most amazing museum.
Crazy.
So many beautiful cars.
Mm-hmm.
Classic. So all the old classic Ferraris.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
I can see you visualize driving in that one. It just makes sense.
Yeah. And with the guitar in the back.
I've got a Mazda CX-9. It's a little bit different to a Ferrari.
Well, it's coming. It's coming. This takes
But
time.
it's sort of the same setup.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's got all the mod cons, so, you know, which you need these days. It's very comfortable.
It's
you know, some of these
great.
old cars, when you drive them and they don't have power steering, I mean, they're just hard to maneuver.
Oh yeah, but I love that. My car, it has no power steering, no electronics, no like electric windows, like nothing, and I love it. It's just so fun to drive. I feel everything the road does. Like I couldn't imagine driving like with power steering.
But does yours have VTEC?
No, not the one I have. No, but I do want to swap out the engine to a VTEC one.
Bro,
Because my chassis, the VTEC chassis, is like way heavier than the non-VTEC.
Oh, okay, damn. Yeah, I'm driving a boring car right now, but soon there's gonna be something else. But I'm not gonna spend a lot of money on a car first.
You haven't sold it yet.
Need assets. What?
You haven't sold that one yet.
Bro, only people from Poland want to pick it up, and I'm like, no, we ain't gonna do that. We ain't gonna do that, because then the last name on the car is my name, and I don't want my last name to be on that car when it's gonna get exported. Yeah, if you have a company, it doesn't matter, but privately, I just want it to be sold to a Dutch guy, to a Dutch person that can write it over to a Dutch name. So I only have interest from foreign countries.
One guy here in the Gulag mentioned, I used to go to the Skoda dealer. I was so poor.
Skoda is pretty nice though. I'm not gotta say it's normal cars. It's just pretty good, right? Not bad.
Yeah, all modern cars are pretty reliable now.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like, you got to visualize something big, but Skoda's like, kind of average.
Yeah. All right, guys, I'm heading out. That
Yeah,
was,
see you, Ricardo.
Have a lovely weekend, man.
Thank you, man. You're gonna.
I might tune in for New York.
Yeah, I heard somewhere in the background you're gonna play some music.
I'll play one quick.
Yes.
Quick,
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes. We got the music.
how does it go though? I got to get my starting. I'm heading for the station with the pack on my back. Tired of transportation in the back of a hack. Love to hear the rhythm of the clickety clack and hear the lonesome rhythm, see the smoke from the stack. Pal around with Democratic fellas named Max. Take me right back to the track, Jack. Choo choo, choo choo, choo boogie, woo woo, woo woo, choo boogie, choo choo. Choo 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 boogie, take me right back to the track, Jack. You reach your destination, but alas and alack, you need some compensation to get back in the black. Take the morning paper from the top of the stack and read the situation from the front to the back. The only job that's open needs a guy with a knack, so put her right back in the rack, Jack. Choo choo, choo 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 boogie, sing along, choo choo.
Choo choo.
Take me right back to the track, Jack. One more verse. Run down beside the railroad track and live the life of Riley in a beaten down shack. So when I hear the whistle, I can peek through the crack and watch the train rolling as it's bowling the jack. Love to hear the rhythm of the clickety clack. Take me right back to the track, everybody.
Choo choo, choo choo, choo choo.
That is amazing.
Choo choo, choo choo, choo choo.
That is amazing.
Very nice. Round of applause. Round of applause.
Man, hit a like for that, man. If you didn't take a trade or if you haven't hit the like if you didn't like the stream up until now, how can you not like that from Ricardo, man? Hit a like.
Choo choo, guys. Choo choo. Thank you, Ricardo, man. Always great. Thank you, man.
Loved it, Ricardo. I think there is no stream entertaining everybody like this.
Yes.
This is the only one. Live performances.
There is actually someone in the chat right now that I sort of worked with at Lexus. I work with. So that's why he said Luke's gonna buy a Lexus. Thank you for being here, Raymond. Thank you, man. Nice to see you.
Man, from Ricardo, it's coming such a good positive energy, man. It's just
man.
lovely.
It's beautiful.
I felt like I was watching Home Alone, the music popping. It was so good, man.
Bro, I watched it 1,000 times.
It's a tradition in Lithuania to every Christmas.
We do have an issue. YouTube is again really hammering us again. Bang down again. Back to 2,880.
Oh wow, 200 likes as well. We had way more than that.
Yeah, YouTube is hammering us constantly, man. I don't know what's going on. But yeah,
It is what it is.
we had
Just take
like
a flight and
400
send them a
something
link.
likes. We had 400 plus likes, and it's just YouTube. YouTube comes in and it's I don't know. It's really annoying. But it is what it is. We got the positive vibes from Ricardo. I'm just not gonna look at it.
Man, everyone in the chat was singing.
Yeah, there's like around 70 subscribers got deleted like a second ago. This is what happens like constantly.
The Gulag was like amazing, man. They really enjoyed it, man. Like the Gulag was on fire. Thanks, Gulag, for joining along, man. It was amazing. Like, thanks, Ricardo, once again.
Yeah, and look, but this is a common issue because I remember when I used to follow like a lot of gamer streams and a lot of gaming channels like a few years ago. They also had like these kind of issues with subscribers getting deleted and likes. Like this guy even went into negative likes. He had negative 100 likes or something. He was like, "What the fuck? Excuse me."
It's weird. Yeah, it's so weird because just 200 plus likes gone, and you see the subscriber count. It's been happening constantly. Like yesterday, in I think 1 minute at like 8 o'clock at night, around like 220 subscribers gone. Ewan was there. I was just making pictures of it. It was just mad. It was absolutely mad.
It was weird. We were just refreshing, weren't we? And it was like
200, bro.
200 likes had disappeared in about 10 minutes.
You saw that, right? That was crazy.
It was mad.
It was crazy.
I wonder if Ricardo can play Major Tom, Space Oddity by David Bowie sometime.
I think he left, to be honest.
Yeah, he's probably gone. But sometimes I need to ask him if he can play that song. It's a nice song.
And
yeah, Vespucci says as well, don't pay attention to your numbers. You will reach Workil's level eventually. Yeah, exactly, man.
Yeah,
thank you, Vespucci. Thank you.
It's kind of like trading as well. You don't pay attention to your risk. You pay attention to the pips.
Oh, we dropped even more. We dropped even more. Look, I can show you a video. Yeah.
288 refresh, and we're at 289.
No, we're lower. I can show you.
Oh,
I'm gonna make a video of it. Look, we on this. On this one, we're still at 209. If I refresh, we're gonna see 2,780, like we started with today. Well, it's coming back up now. People are subscribing again.
Bring on Trump. Yeah, we need to bring on Trump on the streams. If you guys got contacts to Trump, send them our way, and we'll make sure to have him on the stream.
Well, full send. Oh yeah, it is what it is. I'm just gonna let it go. I'm not gonna look at it anymore because it's gonna go up anyways. So not as fast as YouTube wants me to go up though. Us to go up.
And they don't want us to succeed.
Yeah.
That's okay. Probably
I thought I was muted, man. But Trump. Yeah, GG's trying to peek back into the range, and it's creating a hourly fake out if it closes in the next 20 minutes.
You might see GU doing what GJ done yesterday on the retracement, because I think yen pens get strength a bit and dollar is getting strengthened. So I think to trade GU is quite sensible now with the retest.
Massive. Look at this. I'm gonna send you something. The last 2 days, so the 8th on today didn't get added yet. So there still need to be 3 streams added. But look at this already from just now. Pretty good.
Oh damn, that's quite nice. Very nice.
And the other things didn't even get added yet. That gets added later. So good.
That's really nice. That happened quite fast.
Yeah, I didn't expect it to do that quite fast.
It's pretty good.
So if this 1 hour candle closes like back in the range, would that be considered a fake out?
I would consider this as a low, probably.
Yeah, you'd be careful.
It all really depends how the 4 hour will close, right?
Yeah, and I think if you want to start buying up, I think 216 is going to be your level, because then structure is going to be broken on bearish momentum. And that 4 hour close, as Augustus said, yeah.
Yeah, keep in mind what happened. What was it, Wednesday or something? Price did a fake out in London session and then just kept going lower in New York because the trend is still super bearish. We still have plenty of room to go down. It's just that it's a Friday and we don't know if it's going to retrace or it's going to go down.
I was exactly to point that we did the exactly same thing.
Yeah.
But the thing is, now the probability is lower because we got Friday now, end of the week.
Yeah, exactly.
So how much volume can we have to push further down, right?
It's inherently riskier.
Risky business.
So just breaks above 150, 200 would be the best.
Yeah, I think, yeah, because if you look at this downtrend, yeah, we're still actually in a downtrend. And for buys, you want this downtrend to be actually broken. So if you look exactly like here, you have an uptrend, yeah, nice higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then you see here, oh, what did I do? You see here, trend is dying down, and then you see here, this level, this new higher low got broken, this level, and then that meant that this was the high. And now,
I mean, I'm actually bullish because like if you look at the daily, like it's still making higher highs and higher lows on the daily.
yes, exactly. But on the lower time frame, so 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, they're still making lower lows, lower highs. So at the moment, sells are into play. But on the higher time frame, like swing traders, they might already be buying. Who knows? You know?
Yeah, we're intra-session scalpers, so even if the daily is overall in an uptrend, but we're actually in a pullback, which means
Yeah,
it's a
4-hour
downtrend.
downtrend maybe.
So for us, we'll be looking for sells in the intermediate levels. And yeah, the daily trend will resume if you get a candle closing bullish. But at that point, you can have to ask yourself if that candle closing bullish, is that to retest the high or is that just a pullback to continue lower? Because a pullback is overdue on the higher time frames. You got this weekly candle breaking below
The
weekly
structure.
support. So yeah, it's breaking below structure. So we might see a deeper pullback and continuation of
Abdullela, if I was gonna take buys here, right, I would not take it on the break. I would look to see a support created in 200 so that it goes up, creates a support, and then look to trade that. That's my kind of style to trade.
Yep.
Just because of the strong downtrend, I need a support created so that it's actually breaking a structure and changing direction.
That's very good.
That's what I would look out for. Even though it does look like a fake out in the hour, right? I would not want to trade in this zone at all.
Yeah.
Yep. It's a no trade zone. No trade zone.
Because I'm not the way I psych myself out is I'm not a trader. I'm a risk manager. I'm here to protect my capital, and the best way I can do that is if I see a support in this 200 level, which is currently a resistance.
Very nice call out right there. Very nice call out. Okay, guys, I want to talk a bit about New York session.
Yeah.
Soon, probably in 15 to 30 minutes, we're gonna stop the stream. 15 to 25 minutes.
Let's go until another 45 minutes. Until
Okay. Let's go.
I want to see how this 4 hours starts closing.
Okay. Let's do another half an hour. Do the last 30-minute candle of the 4-hour candle. And then we're gonna have a 2-hour pause, and we're gonna start normal time again, like yesterday. Master P started at the time, so normal recule. The time that recule starts, we're gonna send in the new link in New York session again, guys. For the Zoom, make sure that you either stay in it or leave it because if I kick you, you can't go back in. So just stay in it or leave it, whatever you want to do. Make
I
sure.
stayed in it yesterday and Master P kicked me out.
Yeah, we had to kick out people that stayed in the Zoom because we were discussing some sensitive issues with the Zoom. Like, you had to give me the passwords and things like that to his YouTube. So,
and I don't want that to be.
Yeah, I couldn't get back in.
Yeah, so I kicked everybody out because some people were like gone to have breakfast or whatever. So, but I didn't know that you couldn't join again after that.
Yeah. Man, it was difficult yesterday, man, trying to get back in.
Oh, you were one of...
I was crying.
Oh, so sorry about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had to kick people out, else they might have stolen the account or something. It was private information.
Ewan, when did you buy that new apartment?
this with this week's profits.
Yeah, I moved to New York a few weeks back. So
Can you get me one apartment too, man?
yeah, I bought the adjacent one as well if you want to move in.
Oh yeah, sure, sure, sure. I'll go get me a ticket later today.
I'll give you these rates, don't worry.
Yeah, we could probably start looking to see how we can do that. The
I
whole
would.
like
I want to.
Project Hollywood thing.
Yes, Hollywood thing.
Well, I don't know what we named it, but like the project where we get like a really big house and we just trade all together from
That's
there.
yeah, but I was thinking about. I talked to Augustus yesterday night, and what I'm thinking about doing is also based on the YouTube income later. Once it's good enough, just buy a big barn and turn that barn into a savage
Oh yeah.
man cave where we can all trade, and people that are here from the beginning, or they can all come,
Oh yeah.
come by, say hello, trade with us.
Yeah. What if we rent really big like houses across the world every year for 3 months? We just rent a really big house and we come and go whenever we want.
Yeah, I was thinking about that too, but like based on, I was thinking about we need some sort of asset as well, and I was like, yeah, if we just buy one barn that's somewhere in Europe, maybe in France, that's a bit of central place, it's a good situation for Frank, and and just put that as an asset, buy it, and then just fully put money in it that is from the channel, and then we could also do in winter times. Let's say you could just go, we could just get like some sort of whatever office or a big villa or house. We can go there for a couple of weeks. That was sort of the plan.
Dubai.
Go to
Dubai.
Dubai.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Dimitri. He's not here. He's gone.
Yeah, because I'm pretty
Yeah,
bored
could
here
go
in the
everywhere.
Netherlands.
Go everywhere. It just takes a little bit of time. But that's some sort of the plan. But
in Netherlands, man.
But for me, it's I want like one of those. I just want a barn. Just create a new one. Create a new like
Read
big.
the Zoom chat. Come to Portugal with your friend
Portugal
Luke.
We'll only come to Portugal with certain guarantees.
Only the OGs know what's Portugal. Don't say anything about it. Only the OGs know.
With only certain guarantees, like I'm coming to Portugal, man.
If we go to Portugal, I need some really good insurance. So we need to get ourselves some good health insurance.
Hey, Master B.
Hey, man, how are you?
If you look at gold now, it's like actually making a bullish 30-minute
wick. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, wick.
Yeah, I don't know if 30 minutes is high enough time frame for that, because you see many bullish 30 minutes. But I guess this one's being formed at a very strong support, so maybe that's
exactly.
For
Yeah, I
that
guess-
zone, you need like some couple of hours rejecting there.
Yeah, I think you'll need a couple hours to form a support over there, because we're approaching low volume time as well. Like after 30 minutes, in 45 minutes it'll be low volume time. So yeah, you might see like a small consolidation, and then on the 15-minute, 30-minute, it'll break that consolidation, and then with pre NY, it'll go up. Kind of like what we saw yesterday.
I was because I thought it might happen in the London session, but I was looking for buys after a support was formed at the 1750 level. So
1750.
So yeah, I think that to the zone. So that's kind of where I was looking. A close above there. And then
yeah, I see what you mean.
That's kind of what I was looking for, but it just carried on going.
Yeah, we really have to see how the next 4 hour forms, because taking a buy within this 4 hour is going to be super, super tricky, because you don't know what the next one's going to do.
Yeah, I agree.
All about the vibe. Man, we're killing it. We're absolutely destroying it.
Yeah, God, it's rejecting very hard for our.
I'm gonna go look on Airbnb what house in Bali costs.
man's like making profits now.
Yeah, man makes profit for a week. I'm ready to go on vacation for the next 3 months.
I mean,
That
you could
might
get
not be a
it.
bad shout,
My
man.
God.
Like I might look as well. Like,
One
You could
thing
get
doing
villas for
Friday
1,000 to
day.
800 euros. I mean, it's not much for a
Add
villa
guests.
a month.
Let's go with like how many adults? Like 10 adults.
Yeah.
I think that's probably
I think
enough.
the max is 12 you can get on Airbnb or something like that.
just gonna be like.
I wanna do a yearly subscription goal. What do you think is a normal goal for this year?
Yearly subscription. Oh, like
Subscriber goal. Subscriber goal. Sorry, I said that wrong.
This year, 25k.
20, 25, yeah.
Damn. That's a lot. That's a lot. What?
I mean, we're in April.
We're in
That would
April?
mean- That would mean what, like 2k a month more? Or
Yeah.
like,
Could
let's
do.
say we're at 3k, 22, April.
I think we could definitely hit 15
8 times.
if YouTube doesn't steal my subscribers.
Yeah, that would be like 3k a month, about like something like that.
Reasonable. So you take a look at the link in the Zoom chat. That's a house in Bali. It's got like a swimming. It's a mansion. Got a swimming pool.
How much is it? Man, this man's already looking for houses, man.
Well, not
No,
to
it's
buy, but just to
mansions,
rent it.
not houses.
Yeah, Sen, that's right. And not having a subscription goal is good as well. But it's just, I just want to have fun.
It's fun. Yeah, it's
fun.
fun to have target.
Yeah, it's fun to have a target. I think we could definitely hit 20. I think 15 to 20 is a target we could probably hit.
Bro, you have to take a look at this house. It's so big
Jesus,
and nice.
this is big,
You know,
man.
What I was thinking, because I actually have thought this a bit through, because this is genuinely my dream to travel the world and
Yeah,
trade.
exactly.
Whoa,
And-
look at
and
that.
this costs about
And then
8.5 euros.
yeah, Ricardo can
that's
come too
9,000 euros.
because it's close to Ricardo.
Yeah, it's a boat away from Ricardo. It's 9,000 euros. You divide it by 10 people. I mean, that's pretty affordable for a month.
Yeah, 10. How many people can go in?
It's a 6-bedroom. Let's see.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we go a living room as well.
Yeah, somebody
you can
might have
split
to
the
sleep
rest.
on the couch. Or somebody
I'll
might
sleep on the
have.
pool, man. I don't mind.
Yeah, yeah.
sleeping on the
I was about to say.
There's a jacuzzi in there.
I was about to say there's a little gazebo over
But
the
it's
pool.
for a
somebody can
monthly, it's 9,000.
Yeah, for 1 month, 9,000.
That's not that expensive.
No, for divided by 10 people, you'll have your own bedroom and things.
Yeah.
8 beds. It has 8 beds.
We got someone in the gulag who's from Bali. Awesome. Million.
Oh,
Nice.
nice.
You can hook us up.
We have to link up, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, give us connections over there.
Yeah.
Where are the good places? Where are the cheap, beautiful places?
Yeah. Good food.
£9 a month. I think that's expensive, mate.
Oh, but if
But
you
divide it by 10 people, that's normal, man.
Yeah, 10 people.
Yeah, but I've been to Bali and I swear you can get cheaper.
Yeah, you can 100%, but probably not
This
as
is like
nice
the
as
first
this.
one.
But
Here's
yeah.
the first one I see.
The one issue I have with it is the Wi-Fi. It has to be really good Wi-Fi. for
Yeah,
some
yeah.
people to
Yeah,
be there.
other's you're gonna have a big problem. And the
Oh,
thing
yeah,
is, you
when
can't use your normal mobile phone internet because that's gonna go fast. That's gonna go down.
Oh,
Bro,
yeah,
that
with
kitchen
10
is
people.
sick.
Yeah, and with 10 people using the same internet, that's gonna, yeah,
Mm.
it's gonna get tricky.
Yeah, it's gonna
So
get
that's
really
okay.
tricky.
Mm.
This is a pretty sick
Even
house
from-
though. That bathroom, man, big things. Man's got an entire garden in the bathroom.
The whole house is a garden.
Yeah. Pretty sick. That pool is dark blue because of the stones. Pretty cool, man.
Yeah.
Look at you got the sniper house as well. Like straight Call of Duty right here, man.
Yeah, exactly.
Have you seen that small house in the garden?
Yeah.
That's the sniper spot, man.
Yeah.
Call of Duty.
M2's just come on my street and it's really nice. If anyone asked.
Yeah, I'm gonna make some food soon, in like half an hour, because Mr. P wants to see the last of the half an hour close, the 4-hour candle. Then I'm gonna make some good food, have a small break, and then come back. At the normal time New York session starts, and you should all know that time. I wouldn't
you
have to
should
tell
do.
you guys. I think there's gonna be a lot of people today. Be honest with you, I think we're gonna surpass 700-800 people live.
Oh yeah, you think so?
We already we had 625 right now.
Oh wow, 625.
Yeah,
People
625
came
people. Live people. Yep. Pretty crazy.
Yeah, I was wondering. I mean, like Augustus has Lithuanians. I was wondering, is there any French guys in the chat, like in the Gulag or in the Zoom?
Baguette.
Is like, yeah, is there any French guys? Just that.
Oui, c'est
There you got Najim coming in.
What's your capacity on Zoom though?
Max, unlimited, right? Or 1,000? 1,000.
You should be fine then.
Yeah, 100%.
Oh wow, what about?
Well,
I found this one place for like if you want to go there by yourself, it's like 170 euros for a month, and it has a swimming pool in the back.
Damn, that's cheap.
Yeah, I mean,
Bali
you
is
can
so
get
cheap.
stuff.
I can pay that with my profits from this week. Pay for a whole month.
The lighting is so bad on my camera, man. The lighting is
there's
trash.
no French people.
Looks like is like a like an angel from the sun.
What do you say?
You have a lot of lighting in it.
Yeah, bro. The sun is coming out, but it's still.
Yeah, that's what it means.
Yeah. I'm glowing, man. Yeah, exactly, man. It's this. Let me do this, man. Hold up. Give me 1 second, guys. Wait, is this better? Is this better? It's a bit dark,
Embrace
though.
it, bro. Embrace
Black
it.
and white.
It's black and
God
white.
shining light onto you.
Luke's coming from the 50s.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You know the
You're
vibe.
the Messiah, man. You're the Messiah.
And this?
Mate.
I'm changing color a bit. How is this?
Man, you
There's a
look
lot of
dead now,
colors.
man. You look dead.
Yeah, I look dead. It's
You look like.
yeah. Oh shit. Man's got the double classes thing, you know.
Oh, that was good, man.
I can't put it off. Oh, here it is.
Hey,
Yeah.
next time you call a winning trade out, you put that on.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna keep that one in. We're gonna keep that one in. 1 second. Let me get some sunlight back in. Yeah.
Yeah, you know what? I think I'm gonna just call it a day and come back for New York because it's not doing what I thought it could do.
Yeah, I'm also gonna call it a day. Go.
Yeah, I
go
was
to
kind
the-
of looking for like another trade to retest the low, but it didn't do what I wanted to do. So
I think.
so we'll see.
I think this is better, right? My lighting right now.
It's pretty good
that's
though.
better.
It's black
Yeah.
and white.
It's not black and white.
It's kind of black and white. You look
It's
really.
dead in color, man.
Is it dead?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's. You look dead.
Man. Wait, and if I do this?
What was
This
wrong
is
with
this
the-
good? Is this good?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Perfect, man. You know the vibe.
I've got
Right.
no
I'll catch you guys in New York then, guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the same
Yeah.
thing.
See ya.
This
All the
year.
best. Don't overtrade in the meantime.
don't overtrade and stuff.
Yo, Rookie man. How are you, man?
What's up, bro?
I see you chilling right there.
Yeah, I'm working besides the stream. I'm at the home office.
Oh, nice. Good.
Man, you know Vespucci from the Gulag? That guy's such a G. Yesterday, I figured out the mic problem because of him. The
Yeah,
Gulag
I
told me to-
WhatsApped you as well, my friend.
Yeah,
I
you
WhatsApped
WhatsApped me
you about
first,
it.
but I didn't understand it. You told me to use another mic. I'm like, what other mic? I have another mic. But then the Vespucci guy is like, hey man, touch your mic. I touched it, and you know the Zoom people, they heard the touching. The YouTube, they didn't hear, and they're like, yeah, he's
Yeah.
using the wrong mic.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh, now I get it.
Lindo, I'm trading since like September 2019 or something. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Go on. Master P. Or was that?
No, I
Oh,
was
okay.
finished. I wasn't saying anything.
Yeah. Yeah, I had the problem in the beginning too, but I fixed it. And sometimes you have to, like, if you go into desktop audio, you can change other people's noise suppression or the ones for yourself. Like there's a couple of options. If you go to if you go to filters, you can pretty much see, like, I got on my own, I got noise suppression and noise gate because for some reason my virus scanner is really destroying my mic in mostly everything. And now it's good because I have a good mic, but it's like You know, but now it's fixed because I got noise suppression and noise gate on, and that sometimes I put it on you guys as well because there's a lot of background noise, and you just block that background noise. You do that. So. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, NY session will be live today.
Exactly. Gonna be a fun session.
Do
Looking
you
forward to it.
feel gold will be bullish from now? Yeah, I think it'll go bullish, but I don't think it's a buy right now at this very moment. But yeah, I think in NY, New York, you'll see it go bullish, most likely.
100% if you start breaking 650 again, start closing above 650, 650. What am I talking about? 1750. Could look for buys up. There's the OG guys that probably took it right here already, but I would be careful. Thank you, Lindo. Thank you, thank you. We'll definitely be keep on doing these streams, 100%.
Yeah, I guess I'll call it
Yeah.
a day here and come back in an hour.
Oh, no, man's not waiting another half an hour.
No, because I was kind of looking, to be honest, I was looking to retest this low on GJ, but
Yeah.
it closes back in the range and it keeps breaking the highs and respecting the lows. So
Yeah, I'm not gonna close the Zoom, guys. For the people that are in the Zoom, just gonna close the YouTube and then come back. At the same time, guys, everyone in the YouTube, 500 plus people still. Same time as Recul starts, we're gonna start, and you should know that time. You know.
GJ is a buy now? No.
No,
GJ
no,
is
watch
approaching
out,
low
boys.
volume?
There is low volume. Yeah, exactly. I
Yeah.
just wanted to say. So.
Wait until the stream starts again. Then they'll
Yes.
be there.
See you guys in pre-New York or New York. No, pre-New York. I don't want to say. No. Normal time Recul starts. We're gonna start. Be there. Be square. Yeah. And thank you for tuning in again. It was a lot of fun.
Thank you, guys. See you later.
Yes, yeah. See you in like,
Bye-bye.
2.5 hours. See ya. Bye-bye.
Yes, take care, guys.
This soon.